minds wide, knowledge flowing, equations on the board, numbers never sleep. Teaching math and physics while them haters count sheep. Actual education, tune in and get schooled. Flipping textbooks, breaking all the rules. From Newton to Einstein, concepts elevate. Keep the stream, it's the key to our fate. Dr. Gold dropping gems, knowledge raining down. Actual education making scholars all around. Perpendicular minds, angles sharp as ice. Maths and physics, yeah, the future's real nice. Got the Pythagorean triangles about to flex. Quantum theories on deck, breaking all the specs. Relativity theories, worlds getting small. Grasp the universal laws, standing tall. From the atom to the cosmos, we rolling deep. Gracing up the stars, no time to sleep. Black holes and supernovas, concepts we unfold. Brain power heavy, yeah, that's Dr. Gold. Dr. Gold dropping gems, knowledge raining down. Actual education making scholars all around. Perpendicular minds, angles sharp as ice. Maths and physics, yeah, the future's real nice.
What is up, everybody?
That's dope.
Well done! Well done!
Thank you, Olaf. All right, let's get the music started on this. There we go. And let's start sharing the screen. Screen sharing. There we go. Bum, 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 bum. Okay. Nice. I think everything's running correctly today. That would be super cool. Let's see. I think I gotta like click these things. Yeah, activate these. Thank you. Chat's working there. Activate that one. Yo, what's up? New haircut. Yeah, I did get my haircut. Or what's left of my hair at this point. Yes, as you get older, hair eventually goes. But it's okay. Low taper. Yeah, at least I'm not trying to become one of the broccoli boys. Am I muted? No, I think my...
What's up?
Yeah, what's up, Alex? Can you hear me fine on this, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, sick, dude. Yeah, I think should be working. Seth, let me know. What's crack-a-lackin', Alex? Did you have a math class today?
No.
Yeah.
What's going on?
I'm here reading me.
I can hear you, Seth. You're good.
Yeah, I had my... Did you get a haircut?
I did get a haircut. I mean, I guess I
It
usually
looks
wear a
nice.
hat. Oh, thanks, bro. I appreciate that. Yeah, I did go get a haircut today. My I help my hairstylist out with a lot of graphic design stuff. So I've designed like some of his what do we say? Like his advertising stuff, like the letters he has on his building, blah 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 blah. And the TV he does for running his like promo video just died this morning, so he was like, "You want to come in and get a haircut? I'll cut your hair for free. Can you just like fix my TV?" I was like, "Yeah, I got you." It helps to be a nerd and be able to fix things because people will give you free things for it. Yeah.
Hope you enjoyed that parody.
What'd you say, Seth? There.
Hope you enjoyed that parody.
Oh yes, I did enjoy the parody. That was a fun one. Yeah, the calculus one. Yeah, I'll play that in a little bit. Jeff says your hair looks like that on purpose. I thought maybe you started chemo. No, I don't have cancer. I mean, yeah. I feel like everyone gets cancer eventually, so I don't know.
So you have 3 today.
We got 3 questions today. They'll start coming in, honestly. You know how it always works.
You got one taken care of, and Rito, whoever that is, got 1 taken care of. So
nice. Yeah.
And Josh has looked like the hardest of the 3.
Yeah, he has like log to the base.
Maybe not. I just looked at the new one.
Nice. It's always good to go over them anyways on the stream. Like, yeah, I super appreciate anyone who's helping out the students ahead of time to give them solutions stuff. Yes, that's awesome. Great. Love it. Especially if I don't have time to get to them. But it's also great for us to go over them for the people viewing who haven't seen stuff before. It kind of works.
So we're starting with the circle then?
Let's see. Yeah, let me see what we got for screenshots. We got
And don't worry about mine in there.
I like yours, Seth. What's yours, Seth? You got something crazy going on.
The first hits I know how to do, so those are interesting tricks.
Oh,
I put the
love
website in the
tricks.
office hours in case we need the rest of them.
I like this dude. Who's this guy? Who's in our server here who's doing this? Rigel Kent. Rigel Kent just comes in and just like solves things. I love that, Rigel. Good for you, man.
He needs to be a administrator too.
Hey,
Yeah,
did you guys
TA.
see
Yeah. We see what,
Yeah.
Alex? What's up? What do we see,
the
Alex?
screen?
I did see your screenshots. Those look pretty cool, man. It looks like you got some absolute value functions, yeah?
Yeah, for some reason they weren't loading.
I see them now.
Gotta
You're
send
good. 35 stream streak. Yes. Good job, Chantrix. Let's go.
Andrew's posted an annoying one.
Yeah. They're annoying, but they teach me things. You know, like it's painful, but I learned something from it.
You want to start with the dashes?
I do. Yeah, I think I want to maybe start with this other person, Nyaxi. I answered their question last night, like really quickly, just because they said they.
Way I see it.
Yeah, they
I
said
have
they
a
had.
different way. So you.
Oh,
you
well,
mine?
yeah. Do we get the same answer?
Yep.
Okay, cool. Alex, what's up? What were you gonna say? What's up, Alex?
I'm probably gonna join in like 15 minutes. I have to do something.
Yeah, that's all good. Go do your stuff.
put you-
Hop in, hop out. We'll be good.
Yeah.
Okay, sick. Love that. Okay, cool. Let me see real quick. Let me make sure everything else is running fine, smoothly. I just assume it is at this point.
We can do them a second then. Get them out of the way.
Yeah.
If he needs to do them, get them out of the way quickly.
Yeah. Right. Yeah. I always give like a little bit of. So I give like priority to like students who have never asked questions before, just because a lot of people will find us on some social media thing, and if they don't get an answer right away, they're like, "Oh, this is a waste of my time."
Disqualified.
So I try to like help those people out as quick as I can. And then, if anyone's got like a test coming up or they have to go to dinner or something, that usually takes preference.
It's Nazi, and then it's the douche, Santrix,
Yeah.
Owlet, and Mats. Those are the groups,
Nice.
and they're kind of throughout all the pages.
Yeah, they're all in the places.
First, you might want to wait. Santrix has 2, and one's a lot. Might be.
Yeah, it's all about if we have time. I got like 2 hours before I got to go teach another student. Okay, cool. All right, let's start off the stream and get things crack-a-lackin'. Welcome to Office Hours. My name is Dr. Gold, Sexual Education, the stream that helps you with math, homework, science, homework.
Perfect.
All sorts of fun math and science stuff. Let's dive right into it. Yeah, let's do some questions, and I'll break and give a little bit of some updates and announcements in the server. Okay. This is the first question, which says, the figure shows a circle centered at point O. A, B, and C belong to this circle, and triangle ABC is an equilateral. Yeah, this was a fun question. I like this one. If anyone has seen the word equilateral, right?
I see.
It's a special type of triangle. Oh, look, Endar's got a good one. Oh, Endar, and then yes, Endar, we'll do it, man. I appreciate you. Yeah. Even if like you have the answer to your question, but you just want to maybe go over it to reinforce your understanding, that's totally cool. I love doing that. We love that. If something's equilateral, it means all the sides are the same. And a thing we learn about in triangles is that the size of a side is proportional to the size of the angle that's opposite. So in the case of, let's say you have a triangle that looks, I don't know, something like this, right? This would be the biggest angle, right? This is probably like 110 degrees or something. And that's going to be opposite the biggest side. Whereas this is probably the shortest side, and it's opposite the shortest angle. So if all the sides are the same, that also means that all the angles are the same. And if all the angles are the same, but we still need all the angles to add up to 180, you can do a little bit of algebra here. Just say like 3x equals 180, right? Three of these angles has to add up to 180. Divide by 3, and that gets you the x equals 60. What's up, Omega? Good to see you, Kent. Yes. So, if this one is 60 degrees, okay, there's actually a cool little it's a circle property is what it is. I hate these things, by the way, because there's so many of them to remember. Circle theorems. The thing that the angles are the same if the sides are the same length is only for triangles. Correct. You're right. Well, because I don't know what's the opposite side of an angle in a square. Like, that'd be kind of difficult, right? These are the main circle theorems, and we're going to use one of these. So, let's see. There we go. Rhombus is a counterexample in 4 dimensions. Wait, how do you see things in 4D? Yo, what's up, Zach? Good to see you, dude. Nice. Yeah, shout out to Zach. Either to pie. Yeah. Shout out Zach. Zach's another awesome math and science streamer. Or math streamer. We'll get you into science streaming maybe at some point. Rhombus equal sides but not equal angles. Oh, okay. Rhombi. The inscribed angle. Yeah, so this is the thing. Is that, what do they say? The angle at the circumference is half the angle at the center. This is the weirdest spelling of this I've seen. First of all, they're spelling center wrong. That's the British way of doing this, right? Yeah. So, and also, yeah, circumference. I would say the angle at, I don't know, like the angle on the I don't know. I guess circumference is technically correct. Damn Canadians. Yeah, right? Zach says, I need to learn physics from your UCLA class next semester. Yeah, come on by. I just got some more information about that. I'll talk about it later. Okay. If this is 60... They literally give this example. This is hilarious. If this is 60 degrees, and it's on the circumference, which is like the edge of the circle, the border, then the angle from the center to the same points here, that is going to span 120 degrees. Okay? So, it's funny. This is the same example. So, right, this is 60. That means that this angle for AOC must be 120 degrees. So, that one's not too bad. This one, a little trickier. Calculate the magnitude in degrees of the arc ACB. Okay. So, they want to know what this is. Thanks, Reki. Everyone notices I get a haircut just because I'm not wearing a hat today. I forgot my hat. It was also raining in Los Angeles. It's just wet. Wait, opposite arcs, opposite angles, 60 degrees, subtends, and a 120 arc. It does. Yes, correct. Correct. Opposite arcs, opposite angles. Yeah. Here, when they want ACB, right? I think the way I did this, and maybe Seth, you have a better way of doing this, but I divided this into 3 sections.
My way is on the first question.
Oh, it was on the first.
That's where I had it different.
All right, we'll go over your way on the first question after this. But I looked at this. I said, okay, look, we have 3 distinct sections, right? This arc AB, arc AC, arc BC, and these arcs are being like, I don't know, is this called like subtended? Subtended by the same angle. What's up, Raven? Good to see you, Raven. So if this one is the same, and this one is the same, and this one is the same, that means that all of these arcs have to also be the same. What he says, can't you just rotate the circle to find the second answer? What do you mean rotate the circle?
But it's and also if angle A is 60, then BC must be 120. If angle B is 60, then AC must be 120.
I see.
That's where that is happening.
Double
the arc. Arc is always double the inscribed angle.
Exactly. Okay, I see what he's saying. So yes. So this
BC.
Right. This must be 120, and this must be 120. That's a better way to do it. I like that actually better. That's a better way.
But yeah, what it is angle A specifically.
Yes.
Is 60, so BC must be 120.
Good. Yeah, that's actually a better explanation, right? Yeah. If this angle right here is 60, then this one has to be 120. Okay. And then right, yeah, we found out that the other one was 120. So ACB has to be 240. Yeah. Okay. Cool. AOC sounds like a politician. It is. He is a politician. Nice. Okay, good. That was a good question, Nixie. Nice. Seth, what was your clever way to do the first one?
Well, let's see what this. Angle B, A and C are all 60s.
I agree with that.
OC
Correct.
and LA are radius of the circle.
OC.
Which means they will split
Yes.
whatever they hit in half.
Oh, okay.
So angle A, that bottom part of angle A must be 30. And that top part of angle C must be 30.
I see.
30 plus 30 plus something 180. There's only one thing that works. 120.
Yep, 120. Okay. Cool. I see. So you're saying this is going to split this into like 30 degrees? Is kind of what we're saying, yeah?
Yes. 30 30 and then 30 30 in the other one. So
Right.
O must have.
Interesting. Oh, I kind of like that. Yes. Because this whole thing here, let's put in the colors, the pink. This whole thing is 60 degrees, right? So that must split it. Cool. Which means this has to be 120 in order for this plus this to equal 180. Oh, Seth is cooking. Yeah, Seth is cooking. Yeah, nice. All right, that's cool. Good. Sick.
So do we want to do Alex out of the way now, then? If he's out of leave?
Alex is not back yet. We can help with Darsha.
I have a way. I have a start for that. It's a
Alright.
weird one. Is Matt's new?
Max is kind of new. Or is Max? Yeah, Max is kind of new.
Ooh, that's nice. That's a nice one.
Oh, do you know where? When it has like the what is it the plant thing next to their name, that means they're new to Discord, which is cool.
What you talking about? I'm on
Here,
mobile.
I'll show you.
so-
I'll show you one sec. Do I have the right Discord thing? Yeah.
Yeah,
So if you look right by here.
I don't have it on mobile.
Oh, you don't see that? You don't see the I'm new here? Say hi.
Nope, I don't.
Oh, interesting. I wonder what that is. Anyways, okay.
So it is that.
If you get to mine, do the second one instead of the absolute value question. Okay, cool. All right.
I will. That will be the one I have to think about a way to start that.
You gotta think about that one.
I have a way.
Okay,
Max
Adarsh is
is
not
in-
too bad. Let's see, Max. If
give
you're
you
in if Max is in the Twitch or Discord, say hello, and we'll go through your question. That's what I tend to do. I see if they're here, and then
Yeah.
I'll try to do theirs. Otherwise, I'll just get to them when they're here.
Yeah. So
All right, let's see.
here's a way. Let me start.
weird. Right?
I can do this. The easiest way I've seen to do this. This is a weird one. And also, here's what Adash said when I told him that. Just so you kind of have a note. Teacher kind of not cooking.
Teacher
So
kind of
it's
what?
an ugly one.
It's an ugly
Not
one,
cooking.
yeah.
That's the way he said it.
Oh, teacher's not cooking.
It's a weird one. But I can do this. Table of values.
I agree. I always like to start these with like a table of values. Yeah, for sure.
And I know one value already off bat. I know
Okay,
one
what's the
that's
one
a-
value you know?
I think of the. Hey again. I had in my mind instead of the.
You're good. I always like to try to get the log of 1, right? Because once the
11
log base
fourths.
anything of 1 is always 0.
11 fourths. 11 fourths.
11 fourths. Why do you want to do 11 fourths?
A negative 11 fourths plus 3 is what?
11 fourths plus 3 is 1 fourth.
Negative 11 fourths plus 3.
Oh, I see. That's clever.
That's-
Yeah, that's clever. That's clever.
So the 11
Yeah.
fourths must be 1.
Yeah, okay. So the log base A of A is always equal to 1. Yeah, I see. So
I just
Seth
took
was,
that. I knew
Seth was trying to see,
Adds
like,
to
how can I get
adds-
this
fourths.
equal to 1 fourth,
This
right?
is nice.
Yeah, right. Okay. So, yeah, this is 3 equals 1 fourth plus x. And then I like to rewrite this as 12 fourths.
Yeah.
So then subtract 1 fourths, you get x as 11 fourths. Yeah, that's a clever
That's
one.
the start one. That's the. But that's a what? That's a. Nope.
No. That's definitely no.
11 fourths,
Sorry,
not 1.
11 fourths and then 1. I was missing a 1 there.
And 1. And then point that. And then we should be able to plot that, but it's. Yeah.
And then, right, yeah, and there's another one. Again, the log base whatever of 1 is always equal to 0. Yeah.
And
So-
I do. And
That's going to be 2 then, right? So we're going to have 2 and 0, right?
yeah, and what's 4 is no 4 is not nice. Because
But the asymptote's another good one. So you always want to try to identify where log of whatever your argument inside would be equal to 0, because that's the that's what would cause it to just like blow up, right?
where does that happen?
Well, that happens when x equals 3, right? Yeah. So the asymptote's gonna be x equals 3. We should always draw that. We should always draw like an
1/4 of something is 0. Well, can't do that. Okay.
Well,
yep, can't do that.
yeah, exactly, right? Yeah. So if you have the log base 1/4 of 0 is equal to y, for instance.
Doesn't like you.
That's right. Yeah. 1/4 to the what is equal to 0. That's not gonna happen.
No!
Can't do it. So that's the asymptote.
Oh, wait. What?
Yeah.
I realized something now.
What's up?
Plot those points for me and you'll see it.
All right, let's see. Okay, so I'm gonna plot 2, 0.
Oh, it's yeah. I noticed it. It doesn't do what I thought it was gonna do.
Oh, because it's backwards.
What does log functions like to do?
Log functions usually like to do this. That's what I
But
said.
the e function is on the bottom, right? It's
Yeah.
on the side, which is going to be interesting.
Well, let's see. So 2, 0. I agree with that, right? And then we have 11/4, which is a little bit less than 3, right?
Yep. So it's
That's
right on the. It's heading in its direction, and we know.
Oh, this is super weird. Oh, I see.
So we know
so
where
11
11/4 is.
11/4 is like right here. Yeah. Oh, this is super.
11/4 yeah. Now before let's still ahead and do. We need 1 less than 0.
We are on YouTube, Omega. Yeah. I think we're on YouTube Shorts and YouTube long form. So let me know if both of those work. I hope they do. Or try leaving a comment in the YouTube. I'm curious to see if it pops up here.
Oh, I got one. Nope, I don't know if it's gonna be nice. Nope, that's not nice.
I think we need something negative. I think I want to see like what happens over
But
here.
I'm working in my head.
Oh, he says, Dr. Gold, on YouTube Shorts, you can't see the solution screen. Why can't you see the solution screen? What do you see? You can only see the website, your cam, and the chat. Really? One sec. Let me say. You keep working on this one, Seth. I gotta go check that out. One sec.
Yeah. It's a minute. Take me a minute.
Wonder why that is. That's garbage. What, really?
Working 1/4. It's a minute.
Oh, interesting. Oh. Oh, you know why? It's showing the wrong one. I think I know where this is going.
I think I may have something, but I don't know what that's gonna be.
Oh, it's because... One sec. Yeah. Thanks for pointing this out for me. One sec. Let me fix this. 'Cause we are on this one. There we go.
Yeah.
Let's use it like to office hours. Let me make sure this
Ooh,
works.
I get long.
Works.
I got one that works, but it's not a wonderfully nice. It's not a nice one.
Okay, that's fixed. All right.
I got one that works. It's not nice, but it works.
What is it? What do you see?
7?
7.
Nope, that doesn't work. Yep, because I realized it. But it,
Okay, cool. Can you see what?
somehow. 7 does work somehow. No, -7 does. Sorry.
You know what I'm thinking of? What if
7
we
does.
raise what if I had like 1/4, for instance, to the -1, right? What would that be equal to?
That's what I was trying to do.
1/4 to the -1 is the
that's
same
what
thing as
I'm
4 over 1, right? That's equal to 4, right?
That's what I was trying to do, but that was.
So we want to turn this into 4, and I think the best way to do that, right, is to choose x equals -1, right? So if x is -1, then negative x is going to be 1 plus 3 is 4, and then you have the log base 1/4 of 4. And the way you always want to try to write this in terms of the base, so I can write this as 1/4 to the -1. I removed the distraction blocker extension. Now I can message here. Oh, welcome, dude. Yeah,
So
and then,
what time of -1 happened?
so at -1, that's gonna sorry, at -1, you're just gonna get -1. Right?
-1 times -1.
Yeah.
So that works.
Mm-hmm.
If you know what this does now?
Yeah, -1,
Well,
-1
there's
is,
another
is like
asymptote here.
this. I don't think there's another. You think there is? I think it's gonna do this. I think it's
Let me
gonna
ask
do
you.
this.
Let me ask this: does it go somewhere in the very bottom left?
I don't
do we
think
know
it's
that's
asymptotic.
there?
I don't think it's asymptotic down here.
Can we
Max
check
here.
that?
What's up, Max? Yes. So let's look at, for instance, like -10, or sorry. Let's look at -13. Let's look at -13. So if x is equal to -13, then you have the log base 1/4 of -13. So that's 13 plus 3. Okay. So that's going to be 16, right? And then 16 is the same thing as 1/4 to the -2. Right?
Your
Because
graph
you would
is
flip and then square it. So
Your graph
yeah,
is way off.
my graph is way off. Yeah. So then this would
It
be
is-
equal to 2.
It's
This would be
still
equal
though.
to 2.
It's still not crossing.
Yeah.
But
No, it's gonna keep going. It's just slow. Like she's just
There it
slow.
is.
She's just slow,
That's
but
what-
like she's gonna keep going. Yeah. The domain is x is less than 3. I agree with that. Log usually asymptotes to -infinity, but log base x, where x is less than 1, asymptotes to +infinity. Yeah, you're right. When it hits the asymptote, it goes up to +infinity. It still goes to -infinity if you push this far enough. Yeah, it's just slow.
That's what I'm trying to believe.
Yeah, it does. It does. I mean, here we could, if we wanted to graph this, right? Let's see.
Does it
how we
say?
do it.
I don't work well with the it's like fractional bases. Ugh, ugh.
Yeah, fractional bases are ugly.
Ugh.
So this is an increasing log, correct? It is a weird one. So this is the same thing. So log base. So this is the same thing as log of -x plus 3 divided by the log of 1/4.
Yep.
That's the way to represent the bases. Yeah. So if you see this, Seth.
So it doesn't. It's not going down too much.
It's
Is
not.
It's too.
Does it?
Okay, what are the asymptotes of it? Try put in another calculator and see if it's not an asymptote. So I feel like this
Well,
doesn't.
The other way I
That's
can
what
do
I'm
this,
trying to believe. Is it doesn't asymptote it.
Okay, well, let's just take the limit as x goes to -infinity. I'm just curious about that. One sec. Oh, did I lose my thing? One sec. I lost my
You
thing.
may have.
I lost my thing. I lost my screen.
That's what I'm trying to believe. I understand that they don't need anything, but I'm trying to
Yeah.
make sure it keeps
All right,
its
let's just
range
check.
is doing that.
Let's check it. Let's check it. We're gonna check it.
That's what I'm trying to believe.
Okay.
That its range wants to go that direction.
Okay. Here. Let's just see. So we're gonna say log base 1/4 of -infinity, basically, right? Is equal to x. Okay. So that says 1/4 to the x is equal to -infinity, right? Ooh, interesting. Yeah, you're right. I don't think that's possible. That's not possible. Yeah, you can't do that.
What I thought.
Yeah, you're right.
So what does it do? What is it doing? What is it wanting to do? Do math way. Do it math way. As a tabulator system.
Well, I can't take the log of
I-
-infinity. That's the issue. I can't take the log of -infinity.
Go to search math way.
Oh, you want me
in
to search
Bushfire.
Mathway? Oh, what
Mhm.
is
That's
Mathway?
That's a teenage usage website that does what I like once in a while. Yep. And then
Oh.
type that, and then we'll have to add it to find something. As it's written though. You can't do fractions, by the way, and bases.
Okay, that's
There's a
fine.
lot base button. You see it on your list. Read below. You don't have to do that.
Oh, okay, well,
See
I'm just
below
doing
on the
anyways.
bottom right.
This should just work.
Yeah,
anyways, right?
there's a big button.
And then what is
and
this?
F of that's that. F of
Is equal
that's.
to is equal to what?
F of that's. F of x, which is a function. Just function
Oh,
definition.
You can literally define it as f of x here. Really?
Trying to do.
Oh. Oh, that's cool.
That's the way I do these. And then let's see what's the asymptote. This for me. Nope.
And then you
More.
want to ask it for an asymptote?
Equals more, and then more.
Oh, this is so cool. I didn't know about this.
And you can see looking for asymptotes.
Can I just like
Find the main range. That's what I want. Find the main range. That works.
Okay, let's go find where that was.
Saw that, and it should be what I want.
Where was that? Find the
don't
domain.
scroll
I
down.
want the range. I want the range.
Range, not domain. We need domain and range, which is going to be a little bit farther. Right
There
there.
we go. All right, cool. Let's see it.
Now let's see if they want to. What? They don't like that.
Okay,
Sheesh.
maybe because we had to do it this way.
They don't like me. They don't like that.
Yeah. Here, let's just do it this way.
They don't like that.
Negative x plus 3 is equal to f of x. I mean, I think
You
it's...
say no solution.
And then find... where is it?
It's probably the function it doesn't like. That's a weird one. Domain and range they defined, and they say no solution. So then we need to define. We need to define. Yeah.
Range will be negative infinity to positive infinity. Y'all really like Mathway? I've never heard of this. I mean... Oh, it's a Chegg service. That's hilarious. That's their way of getting into the AI space.
Where's the support that the range is that low?
Wait, let's see what Endar's saying, because I trust Endar. Domain of 1/4 the x is all reals. Range of log that is all reals as a result by the inverse property. Okay. Yeah. So...
Well, we can't put a... Domain's not all reals based on our draft, though.
I think,
draft cannot support that.
I think it just needs to get, like, really, really big.
So I'm saying the domain does not support this statement there. You know
No. The domain
Domain
of 1 to
is-
the domain of 1 to the 4th, 1/4 to the x is all reals. So the inverse of it is the range, and the range is all real. The domain and the range switch. Yeah.
Yeah, I recognize how I read that wrong. Yeah, okay.
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay.
Domain of function definition different.
But I was. Oh, okay. Okay. First of all, okay. Sorry. I had this like super fucked up. Okay, one sec. Let me just write this. All right. Log base 1/4 of negative x plus 3, right, is equal to y. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the limit as x approaches negative infinity. Okay. Because x can't go to. Oh, this.
What
graph
happened to your graph?
I don't. It fucked up. One sec. It got upset. There you go. Right? Because this function is not defined for positive infinity. So x has to be negative infinity. Thank you, guys.
Well, range positive infinity, we can say that. Oh, it messed up again.
Well, yeah. I'm going to this page. So
What's the page in it?
Watch. Negative 3, right? Equal to y. All right. I'm gonna plug in negative infinity. This is log base 1/4.
Infinity plus 3. Well, that's
So
infinity.
I get log base 1/4 of infinity is equal to y, right? So 1/4 to the y.
Is infinity. Well, that's...
Yeah, because y would just equal negative infinity. Because 1/4 to the negative infinity is the same thing as 4 to the positive infinity. And that's what
there's that.
there you go. Okay, cool, done. Nice. I like that.
Just a little, but... So... Is Matt here or not?
I think Max is on YouTube, so Max is here.
Okay, so let's go and do those two.
Yeah,
I understand them. I just don't know where the first one is set theory, and the second one,
set theory. Do you understand set theory?
the second one is more log work. Let's do the second one for. The second one is keep us on logarithms. That way, keep in mind this on the same stuff.
Yeah, it's okay. We can do a second. What's up, Wonder? Good to see you, dude. All right, one sec. Let me pull this in for you.
I don't like it 1 bit though. I don't like that second 1 bit though.
Okay, says the sum of all values, x satisfying the systems of equations this, and x y is this is equal to this. Okay, I like to. Well, this is very interesting actually. What the hell? This looks scary.
Log what? So, here's the funny thing. We
can rewrite these. We're gonna rewrite these, right?
Before we continue, do you see what I noticed?
What do you notice?
Just tell me what you think I noticed.
I think I noticed log x over log y plus log y over log x.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's
exactly.
kind of funny. Base argument switched. That means something happens. Right?
Right. So this is log x over log y plus log y
And there's
over
what?
log x.
Oh.
Right.
Okay. Log x times log y over log.
Right. And
log
this
x plus
is
log,
equal to
log x,
26, right?
So log x squared, log x times log x.
Yeah.
Plus log y times log y over log y times log x.
1 second. Let me
Which
fix it.
cancel. What?
What's up, Max? Your wonder. Yeah, cool. Yeah. So common denominator, right? So we're gonna do this. We're gonna say 5
Canceling things.
log x squared plus log y squared all over log x
Yeah. Log y.
log y.
And then there's
we're
a
gonna say
5
all-
in front to play. 26.
Well, there's 5 out here, right? Is all equal to 26.
That was to play, and we can deal with that easily.
I don't know. We can just move the 5 underneath. Like I don't care about it, right?
Well, we may.
Yeah.
Because x, y is 64. If that does anything, because that's going to do things.
Yeah. Let's see if it
There's
works.
probably-
Okay. So I'm gonna move this over, right? And then we know x, y equals 64. So I mean, I could replace everything with just x is equal to 64 for y, right?
X is 64 divided by y. Well,
Right.
y.
So that means the same thing. X is equal to 64 over y.
Look first before you do. Nope.
Oh. I think yeah. Jeff pulls out an interesting thing here. Okay. So good job, Jeff. If xy is equal to 64, and then I take the log of both sides, right? This is cool. This is going to be the same thing as log of x plus the log of y is equal to the log of 64. Yeah, this is a common log trick. If you have the log of two things being multiplied by each other, it's the same thing as the log of one plus the log of the other.
So let's. So should we turn back to our steps from earlier? Because this probably we probably
No.
should go back to this.
No, I don't think so yet. No.
Yeah.
No. It's big. It's heavy. It's wood. It's a log. Not wrong. Not wrong, dude. Okay. Let's see how that's gonna help us. Yeah, damn. It'd be
So
nice if these were subtracted. This would be super nice because I could say this is log x plus log y times log y minus log x. But
I can make one expectation about this problem. Firstly,
What?
there's some amount of solutions greater than 1.
well, yeah, I
Most
agree. X and y have to be greater than 1. I agree with that.
No, I'm saying there's some amount of solutions. greater than 1.
Because the sum of the solutions.
By
is
that rule,
yeah.
it's some of all values of x that satisfy this.
Uh huh.
Ooh, wait. Did you read that? Reread that. Some of all x values.
Okay, so we
want
just need
y
x. All right, so fuck this, dude. Right?
y
I'm
to
just
go
gonna write log y in terms of log x. So log y is the same thing as log of 64 minus log x, right? And then we can just throw that in, right? So this is gonna be a mouthful. Okay, so log of x squared plus.
You can just do log squared x like you would do with trig.
Well, one sec. So that's log of 64. I have to do this whole thing squared is what I have to do, right?
Yes, you do. Yucky.
Yeah. So that's gonna be a binomial. And then
Yep.
1 sec. Let me.
But
write
I
it
know,
just-
we know a trick to that though.
we know shortcuts for that. It reminds me of the equations where the form x plus y over x equals c, where one must be added to both sides. Something else after is. Oh, okay. Gotta go in 5 minutes. Oh, okay, cool.
Things start to happen.
Omega, did you have a question in our server? Did you have something that you wanted specifically to go over? I forget.
I don't
There's
see
a big
anything
queue
from
of
that
things.
name.
Yeah. Well, people
Unless
have different
you
names
said
on Twitch and YouTube.
different Name.
Yeah, they have different
Huh?
names. Some people have different names
What
on
name
Twitch and
is he?
YouTube.
What name is that one?
It's Omega Kent on Twitch.
I mean, for Discord wise, I don't see any.
Oh yeah,
I don't
yeah,
know.
I don't know. No. I
don't
think you can
any-
assume
I
log
think
is
that's
base
really
2.
cool.
Oh, ooh, this is cool. I like this. We can actually assume that log is base whatever, right?
But
because
no,
they-
no. This is a
Well,
base
'cause
10.
Well, no. But
Yeah.
when we did this thing here, Seth, right? When we did log base y of x, we can assume we can assume the bases to now be whatever we want.
Well, bases are 10 because it's unwritten.
Yes, but I can just retroactively. Yeah, what is this called? Retconning? I'm just gonna retcon log and just say it's like 2.
And why can we say it's 2?
Because log base 2 of 64 is 6. It's just
Why
nice.
can we say it?
Why what?
Why can we say it's 2?
Because we could call it whatever from here, right?
And why is that? I don't know what you're talking about. I know it is.
I'm talking about this. This, right? When you do log base y of x as log of x over log of y, you can pick this to be whatever base you want it to be.
I did not know that personally, so I was saying like.
Oh yeah, it doesn't have to be log base 10.
What?
Yeah, no.
Why can you say it's not?
There's a proof for it. We've done it in previous streams, but yeah, you can choose it to be whatever you want.
Okay.
I mean, because of this, right? Okay, so let's say, for instance, I made it as log base 2 of x over log base 2 of y, right? This would then become, again, log x over log 2
And it's just
divided by log y over log 2, and then these would cancel.
You rewrote log.
This is a y, sir. Do you see how, like, this is the same thing, right? Yeah, it doesn't matter what base you write it as. It's self-consistent is what it is.
Right. I mean,
okay, we'll do that later, just because it will make things easier, because log base 2 of 64 is 6, and I like that.
Yep.
That's an easy one to work with. But for now, what is this still? Why'd they make this 26 over 5? This is so ugly. Why'd they do that? Okay, let's do some stuff.
Because it's a thread, probably. So let's do one move.
So here, I'm gonna move these. I'm gonna move these to be 6. I'm gonna make this equal to 6.
Before we do much, I'm gonna for one move that may do something.
Yeah, what's up? What's your move?
Multiply cross product. 5 times the mess up top, 26 times the mess on bottom.
You think that's gonna do something?
No, I'm saying just to separate the fractions. Do with the fractions easily.
Oh, I want to leave this. I want to leave this like this. I'm gonna leave it like this. Here, I just want to simplify this. You think cancel squares would be better? I agree. So here, watch this. This is log, and then this is going to be plus 36 minus 12 log x plus log of x. I don't think they're gonna cancel.
They're
log
not,
x squared. Right, and then on the bottom here, we're gonna get 6 log x. Yeah, I can't cancel. I know, it's unfortunate. 6 log x minus log of x squared. So
I used to set the neat though.
Oh, I see. I can combine these at least, right? Or yeah.
Well, the top thing is a factor of 2.
Yes, you're right. Okay, so 1 sec. So 2 log. This question honestly sucks. Why'd they make this so rough, dude? Plus 36 all over 6 minus, or 6, sorry, 6 log of
This
x.
has made it easier. You know why?
Why?
Read Jeff. You're Jeff.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna make it a quadratic. I know. Yeah, that'll be my eventual. That's my eventual plan. But I'm just.
So what we can do before that is we can multiply.
Well, keep in mind, all of this still equals 26 over 5.
Yeah, what we can do is we can cross.
We can cross multiply. Yes, I agree. Yeah. So
cross multiply. I use cross multiply so much. Like I see cross product used so much as well.
If we cross multiply this, that's now going to give me.
You know which one you used, so.
10, and I'm just going to say log of x equals u to just replace myself writing fucking log x so many times. So 10 u squared minus 60 u plus 180 is equal to 156 u minus 26 u squared. What's up? What's the before I do this?
Log x equals u or log x set equal u. Because you don't know log x equals u. You're saying it is.
Oh no, I said it right here.
No, but you're not. You're saying it is, not that it is.
Oh, I have to. Oh, okay. Well, no.
Correct?
You don't have to write that.
I do. But
yeah, you don't have to write that.
Which that does above equals or let. It's to say that it's not technically this. But we're for the purpose of the problem, we're saying that let's do this and transform it back at the end.
Yeah. Okay. So minus 60 plus 156 is gonna be. Oh man, what is that? It's plus 96. Is it plus 96?
Negative 2.
Plus 96u.
15.
And then plus
Negative
180.
216. I'm gonna repeat.
You think it's 2? Sorry, what?
Negative 216.
Where's 216?
You're adding to both sides. So go ahead and add those to both sides for me, so you can see what you messed up.
Well, this
Add
is.
156.
Oh, you're right. Yeah. You're right.
Problem.
Yeah. You got it. Okay. Negative 216. Okay. All right. And then this is.
And we'll attach Shibboleth thread.
Oh God, this sucks.
Attach early, not. Nope, it's not. It does not set. You know why? I already see a friend. Sits. I see 36.
Yeah, I see 6. It would be nice. I wonder if 36 works. 36 does. 36 doesn't go.
36.
Maybe?
Yep. 36 times 5. No,
Yeah.
30. No, 36. No. 36 is in there.
Yo, you guys have some allergic to division by 2. I don't want to divide by 2 so many times, dude.
Disqualified.
Yeah.
36 is a factor. Yep.
Is it a factor 216 as well?
36 times 6 is 216. 36
Ooh,
times 5 is 1.
nice. Okay. 36 is our friend.
Something like that.
Yeah. Okay, cool. All right.
I need to tell you the numbers if you want to do. U squared minus 6u plus 5.
Yep.
And that is
So-
factorable.
That is beautiful and factorable. So, yes, this gives us u
Yeah.
squared minus 6 plus 5, or 6u, sorry, is equal to 0. And that's the same thing as x minus 5, x minus 1 equals 0.
Nope.
So, or u, sorry, not x. Yeah, u.
We're not switching yet.
Yeah. So then u equals 5, u equals 1.
Well,
So
and then we have to
log of x equals 5, or log base 2. Yeah, let's remember this was log base 2. And then log base 2 of x was equal to 1. So
and then we need to 32
okay.
and 2.
Okay, yeah, so x equals 32, or x equals 2. And then
here's the
2 plus
problem.
32... Wait, is there a problem? I think we're good here.
Is hopefully the answer, but before we do so,
I think it is.
we need to check here.
You want to plug it back in just because it could be
very
not a real
developed.
solution.
You see what I see? B, C, and D are all of those answer choices that we have in the directions in our answer. We need to make sure that one of them is not annoying.
Well, okay, here's what we do. If we know, sorry, we have two solutions, right? What was it? 32 and 2? Yeah, watch this. Okay. So, we have 32, which y would be then equal to 2.
Yeah,
And then we have 2, and then y would be equal to 32, right?
That's what.
And I think all we have to make sure is that nothing breaks, which I think we're fine here.
No,
Yeah.
well, I don't.
Right? Yeah, nothing's negative.
One base-
You just want to make sure that you're not taking the log of any negative numbers.
That's what? I'm doing it's flipped. 32 of 2. That's different.
Yeah. Jeff says by symmetry both work.
Oh.
Yeah.
And also, that's funny. I noticed something funny. Laudates of y. If you put that in, you're gonna get a fraction out of that laudates of y.
Uh-huh.
Out of one of them. Because it's base 2 is augment 2.
Well, you're gonna get 5 plus 1/5 is what you're
Yeah,
gonna
that's
get.
what I'm saying. It's kind of funny. You're gonna get a fraction out of one in there. Yeah.
And then you
So
get the switch on the other one. And so then that's 26 over 5 divided by 5. Sorry, 5 times 26 over 5 is just 26. That's cool.
I was just
Okay, yeah.
C and
So
I was just
Yeah.
C and D also that.
yeah, but the key thing is they want the sum of the values. So it's just 2 and 32, so it's just gonna be 34. Yeah.
Yeah, I was just saying that C and D were 32 and 2, so one of
Yeah,
if
they
that
look
would
close.
be right if one of
Exactly. Yeah. Nice. Okay, good. That's a good question there. I appreciate that one, Max. With the heater of a question today, Max.
Done! Well done!
And now we have another one from Max on topic of summation, on topic of set theory.
Yes. Yeah. Let's see what the set theory question is. Yeah, you're welcome, dude. Yeah, I hope you saw this. This was kind of a doozy to do this one.
Is that
This is the next one. One sec. I'm gonna pull this on a new page,
Shepherd?
and then I'm gonna take this, and then I'm gonna download this just so you can see the solution.
is that
Maxi.
Max? Then
Max is Wonder in YouTube.
yeah, okay. That's what I was
Yeah,
checking.
Max is Sir Wonder. Yeah, there. You'll be able to see him on there. He's on that chat. YouTube chat's working. That's good. All right, let me see. Okay, cool. Thanks for the follow, Nick, by the way. That was cool. All right, let's see. Let's hit the next question from Max, which, okay, this is set theory is what we're saying.
That's what I'm thinking of.
If x is equal to 4 to the n minus 3n minus 1 for n is all natural numbers, and y is equal to 9 times n minus 1 for n is all natural numbers, where, okay.
Nope, what
yeah.
we did reread. Notice they're different.
Or
Yes.
n is equal?
There's a difference there. And
Wait, what's the difference between the equal and the contains?
I don't know.
Is there a difference here, Endor? Is this
I
is
hope
this
not.
is this an error?
I hope that's
Right? Yeah, what the yeah, Endor's like, what is that, dude? He's like, excuse me? Like, no,
God!
like, what is that trash, dude? What is that? Where's the wait 1 second. Where's the video? No, not this one. No, not that one. Oh, that's sad. No. I have like a random GIF generator on this one. No. There it is. This is the one I want.
What the fuck is this piece of shit?
Yeah, what is this, dude? What is that? What is that?
I
I think this is supposed to be contains.
Where n
I think
is
it's
the
what-
natural number.
Yeah,
What
I don't think it's like n is equal to all the natural numbers. I'll ask my teacher first then if the question is correct. Yeah. We're just going to assume it's contained. Okay. So, is this x or y?
No.
Sorry. What is that the intersection of the two? What is it? I thought that was this. I thought this was that.
Let me look. I have a wait. I actually have a book for that.
Yeah, what's the union? You
I have a. Give me a second. I know what page is on already. So.
Oh, I think they're talking about the union of the ranges. Is that what we're saying, guys? Is it the union of the ranges of all functions?
Almost there. Best note right here.
Uh-huh. No, you're good. You're good, Raven. I love that. Union. Dude, the chat is just like... The chat has 3 people from 2 different social media things saying union. Yeah. Yeah, I think it's the union of the ranges. Okay, well...
Oh, here we go.
4 to the n minus 3n minus 1.
Here you go. The union of A with B, denoted AUB, is a set and system of elements that belong to either A or B or both.
Got it.
That's
Alex
the
says,
definition.
I'll join in 15 minutes. I'm in a call with my girlfriend. What?
That's dope.
Damn, Alex, you got a girlfriend already, dude? Wow. Good for you, Alex. Middle school kid, like, beating me on the relationship game, dude. What? Okay, let's look at this. Let's look at what the ranges are for each of them. This one's easy, Seth, right? What's the range of just 9n minus 1? We know what that range is. Isn't that just negative infinity to infinity?
Well, yeah.
Yeah.
The other one's
Famished. I'm 22 and no girl. It's okay, dude. Dating gets harder once you're out of school. No, n is a member n. Oh. Dude, what?
That's different. Yep. That's okay.
Oh,
Let me keep
n
that.
can't. Oh, I screwed up. Yes, I see what you're saying. So when they say natural numbers, is that just like the integers, right? Including 0?
Nope.
No, it says no.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, etc.
Wait, 1 sec.
Not in.
No, it says
One,
it
two,
includes
three,
0,
four.
dude. Just no negatives. Wait, what?
Yeah. Not integers. You said integers in your.
Integers include negative numbers. Actually, sorry, natural numbers do not include 0.
You were I taught you on that. more than the other thing. 0 is not is technically.
You want to know the funny thing here, bro? Is that in mathematics the natural numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on, possibly excluding 0. Excuse me? There's debate?
There is.
They
That's why
debate whether 0 is included as a natural number, dude?
You don't count 0.
What?
You don't start with 0.
Dude, excuse me?
Firstly, you don't start with 0 when you count. Secondly, 0 is not even existing for the first part of math.
Dude, looks like there's some debate, dude, on what natural numbers are.
There's debate.
They got some debate.
Natural numbers as defined.
Call the court.
Remember the TED I sent you?
Which one, sorry?
The TED I sent you?
Oh, the TEDx? Yeah, the one with the
They define natural numbers in that as 1 to infinity.
He says, I'll unsee that. Yeah, don't look at it. Hide your eyes, dude. Hide your eyes from that. Okay, so 0 is not considered a natural number. Okay.
Both. It's
but
no.
but y can be equal to 0, right? Because if n equals 1, then this is 9 times 0. Okay.
Where n, what is well,
yeah.
Is the x and no, the x and y are not defined in this case. Yeah, they're not
yeah,
defined
so wait,
by
y I think is equal to 0, 9, 18, and so forth, right? We agree with that? It's all multiples of 9, basically?
I agree. Mm-hmm.
Okay. And then we need to look at this.
Nines.
Oh, this is weird.
I know something about that.
What do you know something? What do you know about this?
The domain restrictions or not?
Sorry?
The domainators where the domain restrictions are not.
Okay. What does that mean?
Where's it? Where the domain restrictions, where the things that the domain cannot handle are not. The only domain restriction in that other ugly thing is the exponent.
Correct.
And I know and we know the range of that annoyance thing. We can put any number we want in the machine.
Well, we can put anything in for n here, can't we? Technically. I mean, just these. Yeah. There's no domain restriction of 4 to the end.
Correct.
The range is gonna be weird.
You know why?
Yeah.
You know how we know that?
Why?
You know, we can also say that. Look back to your logarithmic question you did.
Oh.
And what do you see? 1/4 to the end. We proved.
Right.
That is fine.
Well, we proved 1/4 to the end can take on if n is allowed to be negative here.
It is not.
Yeah.
Because it says natural numbers.
Right. Natural numbers start at 1 for Julia. Is that real? Okay. All right. I'm just gonna put some fucking values in. So if n equals 1, that's 4 minus 3 minus 1 is 0. Okay, so 0 is included. If we put in 2, I get 16 minus 6. That's 10 minus 1. That's 9.
Yep, 9.
If I put 3, that's 64 minus 9.
1.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, wait. It's 64 minus 9, no?
64 minus 19, 54 minus 9, 45.
Wait, one second.
And
I think we're
right
disagreeing
there,
here.
probably
One sec. Wait. 4 to the third, minus 3 times 3, minus 1. This is 64 minus 9 minus 1. That's 54.
Yep, no, it's 54. Yep. And
Yeah,
then 9, and then, well, I'm going to see a pattern for something here.
Yeah.
Well, we don't know. Well, I can show that.
Induction time. Yeah, we need to show that 4 to the n minus 3n minus 1 is always a multiple of 9. Why? Amazing.
I may be able to actually show that.
I like the induction thing. I kind of like the induction thing.
I may know a start of how we can show this. You know what I'm thinking about?
Okay, well, one sec. I think you want to show that 4 to the n minus 3n minus 1 is equal to 3a, I guess, maybe? Is that kind of what we're saying?
Nope. 9a. 9z.
Sorry, 9a. That's what I meant to say. Sorry, 9a.
But what I'm doing, you know what I'm going to do? Divisibility rules. So 4 to the n, what do we know about 4 to the n?
4 to the
Well,
n.
it's powers of 4.
It's a well, is it divisible by 4 then? Yeah, it has to be divisible by 4.
Yes, powers of 4 and multiples of 4.
Okay.
With the funny, so we had 4, 16,
64.
it's 4, then every other multiple of 2.
Okay.
4, 16, etc. And then we're subtracting from that some amount of 3s, right?
Uh-huh.
We're subtracting from that some amount of 3s and a 1, which is the importancy.
Yeah, the one is this is the tricky fucker.
And then this important piece. 3n, that negative 3, what's the 3n minus 1 doing to light? It's going to subtract 3 and 1.
Uh-huh.
So it's going to subtract some out of, it's going to subtract 4. And then it's going to subtract 3s from there.
Okay. One sec. Let me catch up what Jeff's saying. Sorry. 1, 4, 7. Oh, Nightbot, chill. 3n is 360 repeating.
It's writing A4. What he's doing there is modular.
Oh, he's doing modulus. Oh, I hate modulus. I don't want to do I don't want to do modulo.
147. The only pattern that does that's modular.
I almost threw up with all the modulo. We need to chill on the modulo.
This is power of 4 minus some of the 3s.
Yeah. Minus
Which
the sum
also
of the
means
3s.
some of the 9. At some point, but we don't know where that's going to happen.
Yeah, exactly.
The 147. So 4 to the n becomes 147 in modular, right? 147, 147, and then 3 sits 0. Etc., etc., etc.
Wait, this is 147.
Etc., etc.
Wait, and then are you? Oh, modulus 9. Oh, I see what you're saying. How do you know that? How do you know for the? How do you know? So you're saying this? Sorry, 4 to the n, modulus 9 is equal to 147. Is that what you're saying?
You show you how we know?
Yeah. How do you know that?
What's 4? What's 4 the first?
4.
What's 4 modulo 9? 4. Right?
Yeah, it's
4
4.
modulo
Yeah.
anything that's bigger than itself must be itself.
Good.
So
I agree with
4.
that. Okay, cool.
What's 4 squared?
Okay, 16 modulus 9 is gonna be 7. Okay, cool.
Hmm?
And then
what's 4 squared?
64 modulus
4.
9.
Modulo 9 is 1.
1. Okay, cool.
And what's 4 to the 4th?
Oh, I don't know. That's too big. It's
Modulo
256.
9, which is 4. Which is another 4.
Yes. Okay, because 243 and then plus 9 is 252. Okay. So you're just noticing a
That's 4.
pattern. Yeah.
What do you know that it's he's noticing? Because he knows his module has
Yeah,
fun with
yeah,
that.
yeah.
3n, we've done this before. 3 sits 9, and it just repeats. 3 sits 0. And then it is something modulo something that is the same. X modulo x is 0.
Okay, one sec. Slow down. So 3 to the n. One sec. Let me write this out so it can make sense because we got a bunch of high school kids who are probably like, "What the fuck is this?"
Surprise, motherfucker.
Okay. All right. 4 to the n modulus 9, I agree, is 147 repeating. 3 to the n modulus 9, that's the same thing as 3, right? 3 modulus is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 modulus 9 is 6. Good. And then
We get until we get
Good.
to the first problem number, which is 9. Until we get to the first case where anything that's lower than the modular is always going to be itself. Is going to be friendly.
okay, well now
then we
here's my question. What do we do with this minus 1? What do we do with that? Yo, slow down, yo. What's up, Mondo?
Good
It's
job.
1 minus 9.
Uh-huh.
1, 1, 1, 1. Right?
Right? Oh yeah. Oh okay. Oh yeah. And 1 modulus 9 is just fucking 1. Yeah, okay.
And it's a repeat of 1, so there's n's. We have to remember there's an n in the number.
Okay.
And
Yes.
There's something.
Okay. So then what am I going to try to look for here?
Well, that's where I have to think about it.
Yeah, that's where we have to think here, right?
I need to build a couple rules at first.
So wait, we need this to equal 0 though. No, right?
Oh, we're off by 1. Hello, Jeff. What?
We're off by 1. What are we off by 1? Where are we off by 1? Uh-oh.
Good thing.
You started at n equals 0. You meant to start at n equals 1. Oh. Okay.
Yep.
Well, no, I started
That's
here.
true. No, what's 4 0? What's 4 to 0?
Whoa. Wait, why are we starting at 0? I thought n was
Because I'm
natural
proving
numbers.
you wrong. I'm proving yourself. I'm proving him.
Oh.
I'm proving Jeff here. What's
Yeah,
4
yeah.
to 0?
Yeah. 4 to 0 is 1, and 1 modulus 9 would be
1. We
1.
don't want 0. 0 is not fun. 0 is not a friend of natural numbers. Based on our
No,
rules.
he is right here. I fucked this up. Sorry, you're right. This is 4, 7, 1. That's what he meant to say. Okay.
Yeah,
Gotcha.
keep going. And then the
Thank
other
you, Jeff. You get. I'll give you a save, Jeff. Yeah, you get a save.
Yeah,
Jeff.
3,
One
6,
sec.
0, that works. And then 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Yeah.
There you go, Jeff. You get a save. Okay. All right. So I need this minus this minus this to equal 0, right?
Zero.
Oh, they all equal 0. No?
Zero affinity. And there we go. And zero is divisible by 9.
Yeah, we love that. Hell yeah. Okay, so wait, what did we just show though?
So, that thing.
It's just equal to x then, right? It's just equal to
No,
the. It's just equal.
we just showed that 4n minus 3n minus 1 is divisible by 9. Is all factors of 9.
Yeah.
Which means those have the same factor sets in some orientation and pattern. So X is, Jeff. So X is a subset of Y.
X is a subset of y, so it's equal to y. Interesting.
All those things that add.
Oh. Wait a minute. How the fuck were we gonna get to 18 then? Oh, because X union Y. I see what you're saying. You're saying everything here could be covered here, thus this covers everything.
If you read this again, so you kind of can see what he's getting at again. When we read the text, I'm gonna read it again. Definition.
I see.
Of what
Got it. Cool. That's awesome, Jeff. Wow. Awesome.
union of A with B, denoted A and B, is the set consisting of elements that belong to either A or B or both.
Yeah. Wow. That's a cool question, Max. I learned some things today.
And
Alex.
Found yet? No.
Is Alex, are you still talking to your girlfriend, dude? What? Excuse me?
Looks like it.
W this kid, dude. This kid, like, what? I love Famished. Famished was like 22.
Let's do Ricky if he's here, because he's an easy one. He's easier than the other one. Ugh.
I need a yeah. Who's the voice explaining the math? Oh, yeah, that's Seth. That's Seth. Seth's in the Discord.
Ricky's the easiest of the bunch now.
That's Seth G. Stewart. That do be him. Let's see what Endar's doing. I think Endar's around. Let's do Endar's. I think Endar's would be cool.
Yeah. Okay, just this like Ricky Rex and Endars are the easiest. Chandrits.
Yeah, I want a softball. I've been getting like kind of battered on the last two questions.
And also, this Chandrits has a whole pool of waiting competition questions whenever.
Oh, I know he does. Chantrix can just like constantly hurt me, which I enjoy it. Like I get stronger.
Stuff if we need more too.
All right, let's see this. Let's try to graph this. It says let f. Here, let me go back to the question. Sorry. Yeah. Let f of x be a function. Use the given information about f of x to sketch a graph of what f of x could look like.
Yeah, we don't know what f of x is. That's the problem.
Oh, okay, cool. So other than x equals 1, x equals -3, and x equals 4, f of x is a continuous function. So I think I'm going to draw asymptotes there, just temporarily, right?
Well, no.
They could. That's. I'm just going to do it.
Here's what I can say.
They can't stop me.
X equals 1, that to be a... What if x equals 1 was a hole?
Yes, they could be holes. We'll see if they are. But
That's what I'm saying.
I'm just going to draw... Yes, I agree discontinuous doesn't necessarily mean asymptote, but for most of the kids in high school, they see discontinuous as an asymptote.
Playing with it first, is here's some limits definitions ahead, so... f of 1 is... Well, that's a point.
F of 1 is equal to 3, so that tells me right away, yes, that this is not an asymptote. I agree with that.
We just got a hole in that area.
Yeah, so
hole somewhere.
There's a hole somewhere. Yeah. What's up, Alex?
So, mark this as well.
What's up?
Oh. That one.
We're gonna just get through this. Yeah, give me like 5 minutes to do this question, and then we'll help you out with yours. Yeah, is that cool? You want to just chill a bit for a bit? Cool. All right.
I'll do it in like 5.
That's as one as a hole as well.
Okay. Well, one sec. It is also a hole somewhere, so we're gonna. There's some sort of hole somewhere.
There should be a jump.
We'll see. Yeah, that's going to come from this. So we have the
But the
limit
question-
as x approaches 1 from the left as being 5. So that tells me right away that this needs to be here. Because I know as I come from the left, I need to be approaching 5, but I need to be actually equaling 3. Yeah. So that information comes from here.
We don't know the right side. Yuck.
We'll get it. And then here, I'm
right-
gonna draw these as this.
Well,
This was
that-
-3, and then this was 4.
That third statement is interesting.
We'll get to it. All right. I'm just gonna we're gonna go through the puzzle pieces here. So, 4 is maybe asymptotic, and -3 is maybe asymptotic. I know the core math people are gonna be like, no, but I'm just gonna write it for now. Okay, here we go. This is why I do know it's asymptotic, because as x approaches 3 from the left, it needs to go to positive infinity. Or that's positive 3. Oh, ew. I wanted this to be -3. Fuck. Really?
And -4 too.
Okay. Okay, so there's actually an asymptote at x equals 3. That's for sure.
That's
okay.
illegal.
Yeah. Let's
That may be illegal.
What do you mean it's illegal?
Why?
What's illegal?
Read the first statement. Other than the following 3 points.
Oh, good.
Is continuous.
Well, it can't be continuous then, because how the fuck could they approach 2 different things from 2 different sides if they're continuous?
Other than those 3 statements, it's continuous.
This is a typo then. This should be x equals 3. Yeah.
We've been told. Other than
We
those
have been
3 points,
told. We have been told, but I think we've been told wrong. I think someone messed
Yeah.
up the 3 and the -3. I agree. It
you
happens.
can have it.
Okay.
We're happy now. Oh, I see
Okay.
another mess up then too.
We'll get to it. So this must do this, right? And that's from this statement. I agree that this one's probably gone.
And the 4 should be in the -4 that's on the next limit, probably is 4, or that's -4, one of the two.
Yeah, that should probably be a positive 4.
No, or the other direction. That might be as is -4.
Man, I hate this when like the teacher like messes up the number because I don't know which one they want. Okay, but let's look at this. Okay, as x approaches infinity, y approaches -2. That's going to be a
asymptote.
horizontal asymptote at -2. So we can draw that.
Or the line's wrong.
Yeah. So
Remember. Oh, it's not wrong.
I think
That
this one
purple
is
line
wrong.
goes-
I think this one. I think this. Well, I think this
you're
needs to be 4 from the left. Yeah. I think this is the mistake. I think this should be 4 from the left. Because then that would make this like this, and then like this.
Well, no. You know why?
Why?
Horizontal asymptotes tell the end behaviors only. So that
Correct, but
asymptote-
this only says for x going to positive infinity, which
Yeah,
doesn't have
so
to be
your asymptote-
doesn't have to necessarily be true for going to negative infinity.
So we can we can delete we can make asymptote. Oh, there you go. Enter.
Okay, he says the intention
Okay.
was okay. So they just like double fucked up. Fuck, dude. What? Really? That's so bad. Okay, that's -4. Okay, so this is no longer here.
And now it's agreed. Yeah.
God damn it, this teacher. Okay. And if it approaches negative infinity and they don't put a direction on it, right? That means that it's still
going-
asymptotic, but it goes from both ways, right? So that means it's going to do, I believe, something like this. And then that tells me it's going to do something like this.
No. Can undo
Why
with
not?
that one. Your asymptote doesn't tell about negative infinity. Your vertical asymptote, your
Yeah.
horizontal asymptote, tell about negative infinity. So that could be doing anywhere else too.
You're right. It could be technically doing this. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, we don't know what it. We didn't necessarily know.
Yeah, we don't know. We could hope that it does. Let's just hope.
And
Rebellions
the
are
other
built
side,
on hope.
We know that one. We know that our green line there that you put on that side.
Yes.
Let's hinge that.
Yes. This one has to do this though. Right?
Do we know what's? Yeah, we also know what side of it.
Although I've seen some, man, where like it'll do this and then it'll do this. Like it'll cross and then it'll try to come back down. I've seen it happen. Yeah.
Word.
I have to kind of put some. There are a couple disclaimers on this.
Where it's supposed to be.
Yeah, Endar. Yeah, yeah, Endar. This question is has a little bit of open interpretation to it. That could happen. I think that's it. Right?
Should the hole be on the line though? Yeah, agreed, Jeff.
Green line must be lifted
that hole is
to open
non-existent.
hole. Thank you. Yep.
Oh, and yes, Jeff.
Right, continuous. Oh, okay. This is what he's saying. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Yeah. Thank you, Jeff. Yeah. Exactly. That's where that comes from. Nice. That's another good one there. Good job, Jeff. Okay, I think that should be it, right? I think we got it. Yeah.
I think so.
Okay, nice. Okay, good. Nice.
Wait.
Good
give
job.
it Endar.
All right, let's get Alex back. Alex, Playboy, dude.
Endar. It's Endar's turn now.
Well done.
Endar
doesn't agree
gets
with you.
points.
Endar doesn't agree with you though.
Why didn't you agree with me, Endar? It should be connect at y equals 5 on the left side. At x equals 1. Oh, I do have it connect there. Purple line should be lifted. Green line should be at y equals 3. Purple line should be lifted. Oh, the left limit is 5? Oh. Oh. Wait. I'm doing some weird things here. Yeah, okay, there you go. Sorry, that's what you want. Got you. 3 is an exceptional point. Oh, so wait. Endar created this question. Okay, so Endar, we're shit talking you, unfortunately. 'Cause I was like, who the fuck came up with this question?
Surprise, motherfucker.
It was
Yeah,
Endar. That's too
There's
funny.
2 little errors with the top one. The
Okay,
capital might
so
wanna be-
yeah, 2 little errors there, Endar. That's it. Okay.
Otherwise, that's a good problem.
But what about this? Are we cool with this though, Endar?
The only thing I wouldn't be true if I were to say about it is that your purple asymptote should only be true of the right side, so we can.
Yeah, we don't
that's
know about the left side.
redraw I would make.
We don't know about the left side, right? Ooh, we got a submission on the web though. Who submitted a web question? Flavored Dasani. What is flavored Dasani? Dasani is like the shittiest tier of water, dude. What? What? Who drinks Dasani?
We got 3 problems. We got 4 problems on this toward side.
Okay, here. Let me help out Dasani. Yeah, let's help out Dasani because
yep.
he's
And
submitting one
he's
right
just said too.
right from YouTube. Yeah, there we go. Sweet.
Also,
Okay, yeah.
also, Alex was still waiting on you.
Yeah, I don't see Alex right now. I pinged him. Next time he comes in, we'll just do it. Okay, here, Dasani. Here we go. D is the region inside the circle. X minus 1 squared plus. I don't. It's just a
What?
fun username. Okay, he just says he has
That isn't
Dasani's a fun
question.
username.
I'm
Okay.
questioning.
And outside the circle there. All right. What do you want? What's the question asking?
That's just a statement. That's
That's a statement. Yeah. That's like saying like water is wet. Well, is water wet?
That's dope.
Yeah. What's the question, Dasani? What are they asking for? Or they just want you to graph it. We could do that too. Or do they want the area? Do they want the area of it? That could be a fun one. We'll draw it for now. So this is a circle that is centered right at 1, 0 with a radius of 1.
Would you like to get a
Does he get
If you
wet
want
or
to-
does water get him instead? Nobody knows, Particle Man.
that?
Oh, I started this one,
I
but
need
I
to
found
ver-
I need to convert to polar coordinates.
I'm
I'm
looking at
using the
those.
double. Oh, it wants the area of the region. He wants the area of the region. I see. And
Well,
outside,
graphing would help.
yeah, we'll graph it just for kicks, all right? And then, yeah,
it's-
I'll show you why you probably need to use, he's going to start using polar integrals. This is what's going to happen. Okay, so we have a circle, at 1, 0. Have you done calculus before? I'm pretty sure you have, Seth. No.
I do not know port coordinates. We didn't know that. I have no
Oh,
knowledge of that.
we haven't done that yet. Okay, that's okay.
Like, we are not doing it all. We're done with task. I'm done with task 1.
Okay. Let me just make this correct. Here, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna say this
We're
is.
not.
These are 1 units on them. Okay, I'm just gonna do that. Or whatever. This is a unit of 1. And then I just want to kind of make this like symmetric. Okay, whatever. That looks good. Okay. So this is the center. This is the circle at 0, 0.
And D is the region inside and outside.
Yeah.
Of 2 different.
Okay. Oh, so let me make that circle like a different color. Might just help out, right? Okay.
What you should do is put
So
a
it's
red
this.
mark on
So
the-
it's inside the circle here, and outside the circle here, right? So this is the red circle,
Put a mark. Yep.
and then this is the black one. Okay. So the region he's looking for is here, right?
Oh, it's the inside that circle and outside. Oh.
Okay. Yeah.
That's a weird one. Okay.
It is weird. It's the nice thing is it's symmetric, right? So
Oh, fun. It is.
yeah, it is symmetric. So a couple ways you could do this. You could do this in rectangular if you wanted to, right? You would just break this up into doing the area from here to here of this minus this, and then it's just the area of a quarter circle, which is easy, right? Right? Because we know this is located a distance 1 away from the center, and it has a radius of 1. Yeah, here. Let me just show you what the easiest way would be. Do you have to do it in polar, or can
I can make one statement that I can see. The area
What's
of region must be less than the area before of the circle, which is something.
Yeah. Well, the area of the circle is just 1, or just pi. Just pi. Yeah, we can always check that. Yeah. So
say the area must be that.
yeah, if I wanted to do this, let's say I'm just trying, and then we're gonna multiply everything by 2, right? If I want to get this area, okay, that's gonna be equal to the integral of going from here to here, which
We don't know what that first one is, though.
I don't know where that is. Yeah, I don't.
You can find it.
But I can find it. Yeah. So this is the square. This is the same thing as the square root of 1 minus x squared is equal to y. I tried not using polar coordinates, but things got met. Well, let's check it. Let's check it for you, dude. So this is the square root of 1 minus x squared. And then the red one is... sorry. The red one is x squared plus 1 is equal to y. Is that what that is? I think that's right. Yeah. No. No, I have that wrong. Sorry.
What's the problem?
I'm just trying to find the area this coordinate. So sorry. That
Desmos.
is.
Driving calculator, Desmos, whatever.
It's weird. It's this. It's x minus 1 squared minus 1. That's the square root of it, or it's minus 1, and then it's the square root of that. I see why this is gonna get messy. I see why he says this gets messy. Yeah. Okay. Because when x equals 0. Good, you're at 0. That's cool. And then when x is equal to 1,
Fun. Whoever that is.
my homework has the same topic. Yeah.
Well, at least you open two birds with one stone here.
Yeah, we're killing
And-
2 birds with 1 stone here. Wait. And that's 1. Well, 1 is not good then. Did I do this wrong? Oh, it's 1 minus. Oh, sorry. Ew. I screwed this up too. Okay. My bad.
Oh, that's neat.
Yeah, this can be converted. We're probably going to convert it to polar. I agree. Because first of all, if I set these equal to each other, right? then I get 1 minus x minus 1 squared is equal to 1 minus x squared. And ones are going to cancel. So you get negative x squared plus 2x minus 1 is equal to negative x squared, whenever that goes away. And so you're just going to get x is equal to 1/2. Okay, cool.
And you are then assuming that the square root, that the inside of the square roots are always...
Exactly. We're just assuming they're always positive, right? So this does happen at 1/2, which I kind of predicted it was going to be. So this happens at 1/2. Okay. Yeah, I agree. Like, trying to do this minus this in an integral is... it's going to suck.
No, minusing is fun. Minusing is fun because you can.
No, not when they have square roots on them.
No, what I'm saying is you can separate the machine because it's 2 integrals. So by subtraction.
That's can.
Right there. And then do each one separately. But that is messy. That inside that square root is not fun. It's not a use thing we can do with infinite less.
Yeah.
That derivative is.
And this is from 0 to 1/2, right? 0 to 1/2.
Here's the funny thing.
Well, isn't this like secant or something?
I know that. You know how I know the right one?
Yeah, how do you know that one?
Either the 2i pi just did it yesterday on Saturday's stream.
Oh, did he? Okay.
The exact integral on the right side there. That's that problem.
Oh, it has arctangent in it?
Yep.
No.
Surprise, motherfucker.
Yeah, I'm not doing this. Let's convert to polar.
Yay!
I just don't want to do. I don't want to deal with arctangent. That's so
We
bad.
didn't use conversion to polar either. So.
Okay. All right, let's try it again. We got the heaters of questions today. I'm happy. Yeah, we're burning the midnight oil. All right. I'm getting rid of all this. We're not dealing with it. We're gonna do it the old school way. And actually, I mean, we still only need to figure out this purple area, right? Because then I know it's plus 1/4 of a turn. Okay, so let's try to convert this. So, this one is x squared plus y squared is equal to 1, which
hopefully
is the same thing as r squared. Oh, so this is just r equals 1, right? Yeah, it's just r equals 1. Okay, cool. Yeah. So how that goes. So remember, x is equal to r cosine theta. Y is equal to r sine theta. And we have x squared plus y squared is equal to 1. Equal to 1. So you get r squared cosine squared theta plus r squared sine squared theta is equal to 1. Cosine squared plus sine squared is 1. So you just get r squared equals 1. So r equals 1. Okay. So yeah, the first one is r equals to 1. And then, yeah, let's try to get the other one. So the other one is r cosine theta minus 1 squared plus r squared sine squared theta is equal to 1. Let's distribute. R squared cosine squared theta minus 2r cosine theta. Yeah, r equals 1 is easy. Yeah. And then what is this? Plus 1 plus r squared sine squared theta equals 1. So this is just going to turn into an r squared. So I have r squared minus 2r cosine theta, and then these will cancel. And then this is equal to 0. Yep. Okay, so now if I pull r out, so what is this? R minus 2 cosine theta is equal to 0. So you have a trivial solution, right, where r equals 0. It's not very useful. Or we could say that r is equal to 2 cosine theta. Yeah. Every time I write a polar coordinate, I don't know where to start. I just substitute x equals r cosine theta, y equals r sine theta, and just hope you eventually get an expression for what r is. But okay, so r equals 2 cosine theta. So now we need to do the area between these curves, okay? Which I'm really doing this. So here's what we're really doing, Seth. This is kind of cool. What's up, Pen? We're doing polar coordinates.
The
Polar
curve is
coordinates,
always
dude.
higher than the bottom curve. So there's
Well,
no,
wait, well, once, yeah, it's not really like higher. It's like further out.
but
shout out to
it's
Penn.
not. It's not switching themselves.
Yeah, shout out to Penn Center. Penn's is great. What are you having for dinner, Penn? I'm fucking hungry. Okay. Here's the cool thing. I just need to find this pink area. So I'm gonna define this right as just x is equal to 1, which let's remember x is r cosine theta, right? So r cosine theta is equal to 1. So that's the same thing as 1 over cosine theta, which is really equal to secant of theta, right? Ooh, dill lemon salmon with asparagus. Oh, that's delicious. Nice, dude. Okay. So that's what this line is, okay? So in my integral, and I have to integrate from this angle. So the outside integral, the one that bounds theta, should be 0 to pi over 2. Not quite, because I want just this, right? I want to integrate from here to here, or no, sorry, from here to here, right? Which, oh, interesting. How does it? Yeah, that should work, right? Oh. Okay. Yeah, never mind. Cause yeah, the problem is that like then I start missing this area. Fuck. Yeah. It's 0 to pi. Yeah. Okay. Forget this. We're gonna do it. We're gonna do it live. Here's what we're gonna do. Okay. We're gonna go to 0 to pi over 4. Since the circle reaches there. Yeah, the blue area is very easy to calculate. Okay. Now, so I'm gonna get the whole blue area here. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna integrate. Yeah, it makes me hungry. It makes me hungry for pi, right? I'm gonna integrate from here, which is 0 to pi over 4. And then we're going to subtract from here to here to pi over 4. I think that's going to get all of it for us. Call me crazy. It is pi over 4 because we noted that this was 1/2. If this is 1/2... Oh, wait. No, wait. You might be right. Oh, no. You're right. Ah, I'm wrong.
You done messed up, Aaron!
I fucked up, too. Okay, sorry. This is 1/2... And then this point... Oh, man, I don't want to do this. Okay. Yes, exactly. If this is 1/2, and then this is a unit circle, that tells me that this must be the square root of 3 over 2, which means that this angle here must be cosine... sorry, not cosine. This angle must be 60 degrees. Do you get that, Dasani? That the angle here is going to be 60 degrees? So, yeah, we found out that this intersection point occurs at x equals 1/2. Wow, what a doozy of a question today. And if this is 1/2, and then the distance from here to here is 1, this is the classic 30, 60, 90, where this angle here is going to be 60 degrees. Yeah, 60 degrees. You get it? Phew. Okay, cool. All right. So... All right. Yeah, I was thinking I was going to get mean. Okay. So we're going from 0 to 2 over pi. Sorry, what? Where do you get 2 over pi from? What? Yes, there you go. 2 pi over 3. Thank you. 2/3 pi. No. No. It's just pi over 3. What's up, Femvox? Yeah, this is just pi over 3. Recall? And then I believe it's r dr d theta. And then wait, what are we integrating from r? No, it's just r d theta. You don't need a double integral, right? But it's r2 minus r1 d theta. Okay. So, that's integrating from 0 to pi over 3 of 2 cosine theta minus r just equals 1, right? D theta. Okay, so this is not too bad. So that's going to get me 2 sine theta from 0 to pi over 3 minus theta from 0 to pi over 3. So that gets me 2 sine of pi over 3. Is it r squared d theta? Oh, you're right. It is. It is. Thank you. Yeah, and it's not. It's r dr d theta. This is what I'm. Sorry, this is what it really is. It's 0 to r, 0 to theta, whatever, and then it's r dr d theta, and then this pulls out the squaring, I think. Yes. Yeah. It is r squared. And I think there's a 1/2 in there as well. Right? One sec. Area of polar integral. I don't know. Yes, there you go. See, it's 1/2 r squared d theta. Yeah, that's where the r dr d theta comes from. Yeah, sorry, I messed it up. Okay, whatever. There's a 1/2, but also I'm gonna get rid of that 1/2 because I'm calculating the top area of it, and I know I'm gonna double it later. Kent says stop, dude. Uh-oh. Area of intersection of 2 circles. Yeah, I know, right? Yeah. Okay. So sorry. This is 4 cosine squared theta minus 1 theta. Okay, so this is not as simple, unfortunately. Okay, but this one's easy because this is minus theta from 0 to pi over 3. It get canceled because you're only taking from 0 to pi over 3, so you multiply the whole integral by 2. Yep, exactly. I agree with that. So for 0 to pi over 3 of cosine squared theta, integral of I'm just looking this up because I'm tired.
And he did, and there is a sneaky thing, too.
What's up?
Looked up area of the intersection between 2 circles.
On Google? You want me to just look that up?
Yep. There's a formula for that.
Okay.
I did not have this way to do this.
Area of intersection
between 2 circles.
Yeah. Circle intersection?
Nope, I didn't get that one. I got a result from me, so that's
which one is it?
Scroll up and put
like this? One. Is it this? This looks pretty cool.
Nope.
No. Is it this?
Yeah, overview thing, but that's what I'm interested in you getting. If you scroll up to the top, you might have put something wrong too, because it's giving you a double result. Yeah, there it is. There's generation. Nope. It was generating there.
Oh. Oh, that's cool. Okay, yeah, good to see you, Dr.
Area of sector minus area of triangle.
Yeah.
You need the area sector triangle, the central end of the sector form the intersection points, and the radius of the circle.
Yeah.
Which we know all of that.
I see. Okay. All right.
That's a non-calculus approach.
Yeah, thank you, dude. Okay. Anyways, we're just gonna do it this way because we'll probably get the same answer, right answer. Okay. So, that's going to be 4 times, what is this? 1/2 theta plus sine of 2 theta all over 4. And then that's from 0 to pi over 3. Why are we like writing this way up here? Oh, I just kept copying this. That's why. 1 second, let me get rid of this. Yes. Okay. So then you get... I'm going to get rid of the 4s here. Make this 2. Get rid of this. So, I only care about the pi over 3. The 0 is just 0. So, that's 2 pi over 3 plus the sine of 2 pi over 3, which is also just square root of 3 over 2, right? Oh, I need to tell Nightbot to like chill out. I'm like losing my chats. Okay. Nightbot, dude, Nightbot, chill out, dude. Why are you spamming my YouTubes, Nightbot? Oh, okay. It's that. And then it's minus pi over 3. So the answer is just pi over 3 plus the square root of 3 over 2. Is this cool, Dasani? Do we think this is right?
Well, you didn't double that, but...
No, we did double that because when we were doing the integral here, this should have been 1/2. I believe that's the correct answer, but it doesn't say. You know what we could do? I'm just gonna like fucking throw this on ChatGPT. I'm just curious. Let's see. Solve this using polar coordinates. It looks correct. I just want to see what ChatGPT says. Oh wait, no, this is the wrong thing. This is not. That's not the question.
That's what they want to solve.
Yeah, no. I want this. I want the whole question. Did you want the little piece or the entire thing from 0 to pi over 3? ChatGPT got pi and it kept saying it was wrong. All right, let's see. Let's use the mini high version then. Maybe we just got to use a stronger algorithm. Sometimes if you tell it how to solve it, it'll do it better. What's up, Alex? Alex, let's do your question next. You good? What's up, Alex?
Yeah, I was doing lots of stuff, but I have a question. Can we do
What's
this
up,
question really fast? Because I had to go like really
Let's do it right
soon.
now. Let's do it right now. Let's do it for you right now. Dasani, yeah. You're good? Okay, awesome, cool. Nice. Happy to help you, Dasani. All right. What's up? Which one you need help with? With this?
That one, yeah.
I'm pulling it up.
No, not that one. Why is I don't know how I upload like such a big image.
It's okay. This right here?
So I know that the y-axis is what's it called? -4 and -5. I just don't know how to get the x-axis.
Well, okay, look. So this thing usually was here, right? But now it's being shifted to the left by 4.
Hello?
And yeah, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, it's being shifted to the left 4, and then it's being shifted down 5.
Down 5.
Do you see that? Do you see how that happens?
Yeah.
Okay. So left 4, right? That's a horizontal shift, which means you have to do something close to X, which, that's here. But everything horizontal is backwards. So you would think left 4 is -4, but it's really +4. Yeah. Oh, Flavored says, I found your old stream vids and it helped me with another assignment, so I was hyped when I saw you were live. Oh, awesome. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, give us a follow. Also, you can join our Discord if you want to get... if you want to interact with us more and figure out how to get help. And then there's a calendar. If you go to calendar.actual.education, that shows when we're streaming. We do this pretty regularly, 3 times a week.
Do you guys hear me?
I can hear you. Yeah, what's up?
Oh, my mic goes, I don't know, my mic was muted. So, wouldn't it be the third one? Because x plus 4 and the x is always 1.
No, not the x is always 1. So, x plus 4 means it's shifting to the left 4. And then the -5 means down 5. Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's why it's this one.
Yeah.
Cool. Does
Okay.
that make sense? Is that good?
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
Awesome.
I understand.
Nice. You're good.
I have to go because I'm going somewhere with my mom.
You're okay. Yeah. Have fun with your parents and stuff. Come by on Friday. We're gonna do an AMA podcast on Friday, and you can submit questions.
What
And
is
if your
an
question,
What's the name?
AMA stands for Ask Me Anything, and so what that means is, so in our Discord, there's a channel. If you want to look at it real quick, it's called here, submit AMA podcast question right here, and what you can do is this is a bio of our guest we're gonna have. Her name's Jess. She's a therapist, and she's gonna be on the stream here for about two or 3 hours just answering your questions. So students are saying stuff like, how does school-related stress impact a person's mental health? Is mental health counseling effective? I don't know. It's just a cool way for you to just ask a bunch of questions, and if your question gets picked, you win money. Yeah.
Okay.
Cool.
See you.
Yeah. Come by on Friday.
Bye.
All right, peace. What's up, Ethan? Good to see you, dude.
Hey, what's
Ethan.
good? What's good?
Ethan, how's it going, bro?
Yep. So those messages I sent you this morning? DMs?
Yes, you were asking me about the diagram we helped you create, yeah?
Yeah. I already got that grade back.
How'd you do?
Me and my group literally got a perfect score.
Nice, dude. Nice job, dude. Proud.
And now it's now just to wait and relax a little bit. Finally, all that stress is over.
That's good. I'm glad
I for real can't believe that my birthday had to be all hectic again.
Yes. Well, yeah. Your birthday was. You had a lot going on. It's okay. That's life. Life gets lifey, is what I say, dude. But
I have a question now. Like I'll let you know my question then.
You have an actual question? What's up? What's your actual question?
Like no, not actual question, but I mean like a math question then.
Okay. What is it?
I'm trying to post it up.
Okay, cool.
Send it in the chat or like help screenshots with.
Put it in help screenshots. Cause then I got Recky Rec and Happy Face to work through. Yeah. What's up, Happy Face?
If it's calculus.
If it's not calculus, or if it is calculus, I don't think Ethan's in calculus yet.
I mean, I don't know what he's doing, but
yeah, we'll see what he's doing. He's gonna post it.
Basic stuff. We're going back to basic stuff.
Soon.
He's gonna post it. Just give him a second. Let me see what else was happening. Who was posting this one?
Apparently, I posted the image, but apparently I can't do it because the bottom one.
It's there. It's there.
Image.
I see it.
No, that's one from Happy Face.
Oh,
Ethan is Ethan.
Okay.
So,
Sorry.
Ethan, if you want to also try to post it, you can post it using our website. Have you tried posting using the website before?
I never heard of it. No.
Okay, I'm gonna show you how it works, and I'm also gonna show like everyone else how it works. So you just go to actualdiscord.com/submit. Okay.
Okay.
And then you're gonna see a screen like this, and all you're gonna do is you're gonna put in what your name is. So in this case, I'm gonna put my name, which is like Dr. Gold, and then you're gonna hit choose file here. Hit Giovanni's my real name.
All right.
And then you can literally just select an image, probably on your phone, and then just hit upload. And then when you do that, it should tell you that it got submitted successfully, and then we're gonna see that get posted into Discord. It's pretty cool. It's a way that, so we just had a student who had been watching our YouTube tutorials and saw that we were live on YouTube, and then they were able to submit a question here to this, which I thought was pretty cool.
Oh, is that the goal? Yeah. I cannot actually do it, but I sent it in the channel there.
Okay, that's cool. I like that as well. All right, let's do this.
Which is this goes way back to basic one. It's like sophomore kind of level.
Okay, sophomore's fine.
There are somewhat questions that are a little tricky.
I'm trying to say, what is this? This kind of looks like. Oh,
it's just a drop of a line and then find the
calculate
pieces.
I love how they say gradient. They're like having these kids like calculate what a gradient is this early in their academic careers. One second, let me take this.
Is integration easy? You just have to configure the numbers and that's it. Like in calculus.
The points, find the slope, drop the line.
Yeah. Integration can get complicated because it'll start involving like more tricks you have to know. Yeah.
All right then.
I'm curious, Skeeg, what's Taiwan's teaching method? What's the Taiwanese teaching method? He says my teaching method is very different than the Taiwanese teaching method. Okay, it says using a scale of LCM to represent one unit on each axis. Plot on a graph.
1cm, not LCM.
Oh, sorry. All right, I read that as LCM. My bad. Okay.
Screen change.
Thank you. Let's get rid of that. Thank you. Okay, here we go, guys. So we're gonna plot the points, and actually, I have like a graph thing. One sec. Let me move this over. Let me get the graph. Let me get the graph thing.
Do you use
There it is, see?
Desmos or what?
No. It's just it puts like it puts a little piece of graph paper on the thing. I think it's pretty cool.
I don't.
I know it's a little ugly, right, Seth? It's a little bit ugly. It's like I don't know about that. All right, here we go. Okay. And let's see, how far back are we going?
-3.
Okay, so this will be okay then.
3 and 3.
Well, let's move it like it's gonna have to be anywhere, right? Yeah, whatever. Okay. All right, I'm gonna say this is like 1, this is 2, and then this is 3, and then this is -1, and then this is -2, and this is -3. Okay.
I'm going to adjust it from -1 to 5 the other direction.
Yeah.
So you might want to move it down.
I'm definitely gonna want to move it down. You're so right there, Seth. All right, let's do that. Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
We go to the vegetarian once we get.
Yeah, we need the height. We need the height.
You can drag them all. I thought you did drag them all in one.
Could I? Yeah, you're right. I could. Thanks. Yeah. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 3, -1. That's gonna be here. All right. Let's use different colors for this. Let's scroll down a little bit. This is 3, -1, and then this is -3, 5. All right. And they want us to. Yeah. Well, those are just the 2 points. I think that's. Oh, do we have to plot them between each other?
I would draft it because you need to know 3 pieces of information.
Well,
it is important.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So they're asking then
That's
to
a
figure out what the gradient of PQ. They're using big words here. Gradient. Like that's a big word. I would have used a different word.
It's alright.
It's the same thing as the slope. I would have just said the slope. Yeah. Gradient usually refers to things in multiple dimensions. Pardon?
Does steepness work as well, or
Steepness? Don't say steepness. That's not like a math word, technically.
all of them?
Okay. Yeah, we want to calculate the slope. All right. And so how do I calculate the slope?
And one.
Is it y2 minus 1 over x2 minus x1?
Yes. Y2 minus Y1 over X2 minus X1. So what's that going to be, Ethan?
Well, it's just a plug-in. It's like to determine which one's gonna be your x1, y1, and x2, y2.
Yeah, you can choose either one actually, as long as you're consistent. Yeah. That's always the thing. Yeah.
And you can also flip it as long as you negative it at the end.
That's true. You can do that as well. Yeah, you work with gradients in your multivariable class, right? Yeah. Hey, I teach multivariable as well, Dasani. If you ever, I was literally just working with a student today on vector cal. So, if you have vector cal questions, we definitely do them here as well. Okay. So, I could just do this, right? 5 minus -1. I'm going to call this my second point, and this one my first one. And then that's going to be over, right, -3 minus 3. What's up, Reki? Good to see you, dude. So that's going to end up being, what is that? 5 minus -1 is 6. 6 over -6.
Over -6.
So -1. Okay.
So
not too bad. So then they say determine the point where PQ meets the y-axis. So you can see this graphically.
Now what? What am I supposed to do here? Determine the y-intercept?
Yes.
Yep.
Yeah. Where it meets the y, that's the same thing as the y-intercept. Yeah.
And by that y-intercept, we can then do part D.
Exactly.
So then you will use y is equivalent to mx plus c.
Sure. So we could get we could get the equation. We could like skip to this step, and then that would help us solve these easier. Or Ethan, you could look at this graphically. I mean, they're using a graph, right? So if the slope is -1, right?
Oh.
That means if you go to the left 1, you go up 1. Which is the same thing as if you go to the right 1, you go down 1. Do you see that?
Mm-hmm.
So doing this 1, 1, that's going to get you what this is. Well, that's the point where it meets the x-axis. And then we're going to go over 1, over 1, over 1, up 1, exactly. And so this is going to happen here. So if they say the point where PQ meets the y-axis, that's going to be 0, 2.
Yep, you could just easily find that.
Right, okay.
That's within point
But I
form.
think they want the y is equivalent to mx plus c kind of work.
Yes, let's do that. So I say B.
Well, at the end.
Yeah, mx plus B. That's what I like.
What's the difference between plus c and plus b? They're both
No
the same
difference.
thing,
Just style points. Just style points.
right? All right then.
Okay. Right. So then what do I plug in here?
You can use one of the y values, right? And one of the x values. To
We don't
find
need
Well,
to.
you don't need to actually, Ethan. Yeah, Seth is right. We got all the information here we need. We're good.
like what? What?
Well, M is
M
what?
M is -1.
Nice. Thanks for the follow, dude. M is -1. Okay. And then what's B?
You're 11 followers away from your goal.
Oh, yeah. What is it? 1500? Yeah, we're getting there.
Oh, I thought we were trying to find a y-intercept. Like
Well, we did find the y-intercept. The y-intercept was at 0.2. But then what?
Yeah,
and
but
that's
it's
what
like-
B is, right?
I was just saying, it's like I thought we were going to find a y-intercept using the y is equivalent to mx plus c method.
No, we don't need to. We can just do it this way.
Finally clean it up.
It's like the chicken or the egg. Yeah. Well, I'm just doing the last
finally-
the last part of the question for you, right? So then you just get to here, right? And that's y equals -x plus 2, which is the equation in y equals mx plus c form. Yeah.
All right. Thanks,
Cool.
man.
Nice.
Yeah. He's the next easiest one. The
Yeah.
competition problem may be a little bit too long.
Yeah. Well, I think Shantrix had to leave, so I might just skip that.
You know, I just
See,
came back from
he's
work.
still
You
in
know? I
Discord.
just came
I
back.
don't think he's
I
out
just came
yet.
back from work.
You got back from work? What happened on work?
Like I just came back from work. That I'm saying,
Oh, working out or doing work? Which one? Which one?
doing work, labor.
Oh, are you still working at the grocery store?
Yeah, I do. I'm still
Oh, nice,
working
dude. That's cool, dude.
there. I
It's
work-
good you have a job,
I go
dude.
to-
Dude, look at you, Ethan, bro. You had a girlfriend, you had a job, dude. Wow. You're ahead of probably what I would say is like 90% of people your age.
You know,
And
it's
also, like, have
it's like-
have a girlfriend and have a job is probably better than like 90% of people in their 20s these days, too.
Well, the thing is, it's like I go to work right after school. Then
Okay.
I used to do it as like on the weekends only, but I
Mm-hmm.
think it was just a little too boring, and I like to make my life challenging, so I went ahead and did it after school.
I'm glad you found something challenging to do. Yeah.
But it kind of at least a little decline in my grades as well. So
Yeah.
I'll need to ease up on
yeah,
it.
exactly. If your grades are suffering too much, the first thing you should like drop is work. If you can afford to. But yeah, don't. Some students will get a little bit too focused on making money now, but you're not really making that much money in the big scheme of things. So it's more valuable to you to make sure that you do well in school, because that'll enable you to make a lot more money later. You know? That kind of makes sense. Like you could make an extra $5 or $10 doing what you're doing right now, or you could use that time to study and make an extra $50 to $100 later. Yes. Ethan the GOAT, for real. Yeah.
I'm not a go.
Anyways.
I'm not a go.
Yeah, you are the GOAT, dude. You're the GOAT, bro.
No, I'm not. Okay.
He says,
I'm
I'm not the GOAT. I'm not the GOAT.
Also, the go.
What's
I
up, bro?
have some bad news actually.
Bad
like,
news. Uh-oh. What's the bad news? One sec, Recky. We're going to do your
Thing is,
question
is
next.
Don't mean to delay it. I apologize, but the thing
Yeah,
is
you're
like my mock grade has actually kind of decreased a lot.
Okay. Why is that? What do you think that is?
It went from, because of a project that we all screwed up. Every person in my class screwed it up. It
Oh,
was a
no.
group work.
How they all screwed up?
It's like, I don't know, we just did not do the right thing. But we already did a part 2 of it, so hopefully it's gonna improve my grade. I
Okay.
went straight from a 96 to an 86.
Oh, nice, dude. Wait, from 96 to 86 or 86 to 96?
96 to 86. How was that nice?
You done messed up, AA Ron.
Sorry.
Yeah, I did myself.
It's okay. I heard
So it's
86
like-
to 96. I was happy.
No, 96 to 86. A whole 10-point decline.
Yeah. Okay. Well,
And
you know,
one last thing.
refocus and maybe like take the time. I was like, I want to see if this YouTube command
And
works.
one last thing.
Night
I
connection,
was
listening.
literally going crazy this morning. I was literally going crazy.
Why are you going crazy?
Because it's like, remember the citations things I asked you?
Yeah.
It was because I had to do a project based and I had to use citations. The thing is that I had this I had my elective
there it
work
works.
to do. It was like an exam grade project then. I had to hand that
Okay.
up by the next day, which was today. And I tried contacting my group members. None of them responded any at all.
Uh-oh. Getting ghosted? Getting ghosted
No.
on the assignments?
And then I literally took like, I don't even know, 3 to 4 hours trying to figure out my work.
Okay.
And I'm thankful I completed it and submitted on time, but they really screw me over. They almost screw me over.
Well, that'll happen sometimes, especially in group projects, dude. You can't always depend
I
on
hate
people.
group projects. I really hate group projects.
I know. Yeah.
I
Well,
got the lazy people for my group.
cut the lazy people from your group. I mean, that happens, dude. Sometimes in life, you don't get you don't get the best and brightest. It's okay. You learn to adapt.
I've already been adapting, but these people, they'll just delay me.
It's okay.
I will be doing better.
Good. Okay. Sorry. I'm nearing my
I
end.
gotta go.
I'm nearing my end of my brain working at this point. How long have we been streaming? 2 hours? Oh, it feels like longer.
Yep. And you have a person to deal with, don't you?
Yeah. Okay. Here, let me.
I gotta go. I gotta go. That's cool. I'll see you later.
All right.
Thanks for
Good to see you, dude. Yeah. Take care, dude.
Person to talk to today too, don't you?
Sorry. What?
You need a person to talk to today too.
I do.
Said-
Yes. I do. I do.
And we still have to go through your announcements.
And we gotta go with the announcements. All right, here. Let's start wrapping this up. Reki, let's do this. Okay.
Lot.
Okay. First thing I want to do here, Reki, when I got something like this, is I'm gonna square both sides. Okay, let's square both sides.
Restriction. That
Yeah.
should be first name.
Sorry, what?
And all restrictions.
There are restrictions, yes. So restrictions, right? Anytime I see stuff with square roots, I just say whatever's inside of here has to be greater than or equal to 0. So I'm gonna say z plus 5 has to be greater than or equal to 0. Solving for that, z is greater than or equal to negative 5. And then I'm gonna say 2z minus 1 is greater than or equal to 0. So 2z is greater than or equal to 1. So z is greater than or equal to 1/2. Okay? Those are our restrictions. Now let's solve by squaring both sides. All right? That's going to get me z plus 5 is equal to 2z minus 1. And then what we're going to do is move some stuff around. So I'm going to move this minus z. I'm going to move this plus 1. That's going to get me 6 is equal to z. Okay. Which I think is okay, right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, wait. Yeah. Because 6 is greater than or equal to negative 5. 6 is greater than or equal to 1/2. Okay.
11 equals 11 with degrees. Nope, square root 11 is square root of degrees.
Yeah, square root of 11 is equal to
that's
the
the-
square root of 12 minus 1 square root of 11. Okay, cool.
That is the only table. True.
I feel like that's the only answer. Wait, Femvox says z equals 4 works? Oh, it does actually. Why? Ooh.
No, it doesn't.
No,
don't
it doesn't.
do that.
Femvox, you're close. Yeah, 4 plus 5 is 9, and then 8 minus 1 is 7. It's close.
I do know a way I can say that this does only have one solution.
How can you say this only has one solution?
Go to Desmos, and then we use a rule of functions. What does an equation tell you?
Tells me all the y points for all the x points, right?
What is an equation tells you?
It
Two
tells me
things are said.
it tells me
But it
like
also
if
tells you
What else did it tell me?
where two functions cross each other.
I see what you're gonna do here. Yeah, it's very smart here.
So let's let f equals the first one.
Uh-huh.
To the second one,
Beautiful.
where they cross.
Beautiful. Yeah, beautiful.
Only once. And where's
They only
that
cross
crossing
once.
point?
It's
Where's
at
the crossing point?
looks like
No, you plot the point. You can actually click on the point and hit the point.
oh, it'll do it.
Where does
Oh,
it
that's
cross?
cool. 6,
That's
6, and then it's 3.317. Which I guess
we
is
don't want
squared
the
11.
point because it's not a function. We're not defining this as a function.
This is
By
cool.
the-
Yeah, I guess because it doesn't turn back down again, it's not gonna. If it was a quadratic, this would work. Yeah, that's cool. Nice. Cool. Good question, Reki.
Okay. The Santrix is going to be a nightmare. would have been a nightmare too.
It would have been, yeah. Shantrix, I promise we'll do his question first next time. I was a little busy with things. It's okay.
I don't even know where to go for that one. That's annoying. That's a nightmare one.
All right, let's see.
I think that's it, absolutely, other than your announcements.
Well, we got Happy Face. Happy Face has a question. Happy Face, you still around? Where's Happy Face? Happy Face 5239. I wonder what the 5239 stands for. This is a really high resolution image because it's being mad at me. Jesus, how big was this image you sent me? Oh man. Yeah, it's probably like 40,000 megapixels or something. I'm gonna put the waiting music on. Oh, it's here. Okay, here it is. Okay. Okay, this is why. Yeah, look, because I can like zoom in and see like the individual like pieces of like graphite. Okay. All right, here we go. Assume that you breathe. The volume of air in your lungs is a sinusoidal function of time. Suppose that at time t equals 1.2, your lungs have the maximum volume of 3.2. When you exhale, your lungs still have 0.6 liters. Your breathing rate is complete once every 2 seconds. Sketch a graph of the volume versus time, and then write an expression. Oh, that's a good one. I like this. Okay. Okay. First thing to figure out is how this is going to work. So usually we would have like y is equal to, and it's a, well here, there's actually, one sec, I'm just going to save me some time. Save myself some time here. Sinusoidal general form. I've Googled it at some point. There we go. This is all the information you need. Yeah, Jeff's right too. Or cosine if you're into Fourier. Yeah, if that floats your boat. Yeah. Okay. So the period equals 2. So that means that K is equal to 2 pi over the period. So equals 2 pi over 2. So equals a pi. Okay. Amplitude is equal to max minus min divided by 2. They don't tell us that exhaling is the least, but I guess we are going to say that. Okay. So that's max minus min all over 2. So that's going to be 3.2 minus 0.6 all over 2, which is going to be equal to 1.3. Nice. Okay, cool. That's A. So A equals 1.3. C is the midline, which is equal to the average of the max and the min. So that's max plus min all over 2. So that's going to be 3.8 divided by 2. That is equals 1.9. So that's C. And then the shift. The shift is always weird. Okay. If we're using sine, then let me think how we want to do this. The max has to occur where theta, where k theta minus b is equal to pi over 2. The reason for that is sine looks like this. Okay? And this max happens at pi over 2. So the sine of something, right, has to be pi over 2 if it's going to equal its max. And we know the max occurs when theta, which is the time, in this case is 1.2. So we're going to say, okay, cool. So theta equals 1.2 at the max. So k, which was pi. So we have pi 1.2 minus b equals pi over 2. Cancel, cancel. That tells me right away that b is equal to 0.7, right? Because 1.2 minus 0.7 is equal to 0.5, which is 1/2. Okay, cool. So now we have everything. So you could say to your teacher, cool. So, and they want it, whatever we can do is y. Y is equal to 1.3 sine, and then k is going to be pi, and then this is going to be x minus 0.7 yeah, okay, plus 1.9. Nice. Okay, there we go. That's probably the hardest thing. I think that's the thing Happy Face lost the most points on, was this. Which, interesting, he did a negative cosine. I guess that works too. What's up, Zero? Okay. And then doing this, yeah, the only thing he missed doing... Okay, first of all, the minimum didn't occur at 2. The minimum would occur at... sorry, let me think about this. Or your breathing rate completes every 2 seconds. Oh, so this would occur at... Because it's going to look something like this. Actually... It would be concave down, and then it would be like this. Right? One second. Yeah. This is interesting how he's graphing this. Yeah, no, it doesn't look like this. The maximum is always like this. Yeah. It really should look like this. Or I'm just gonna regraph it for you, man. 'Cause trying to correct your graph is like not exactly correct. Okay. Alright. Now let's do a graph. So I agree at 1.2, you should be at your maximum, which was equal to, I think, 3.2, right? And then if the period is equal to 2, then that means the amount of time to go from the max to the min is half of that. So that's going to be 1 second to get to the minimum. So here, this would be 2.2, and that's going to be the minimum, which is equal to 0.6. And then in between the two is just 1.9. And that would be located here, which is halfway between 1.2 and 2.2, which is equal to 1.7. Because it's 0.5 to there, 0.5 to there. So this is how it really should look. Yeah. And then this would be 2.7. And then this would be 3.2. Okay. So it's really going to look something like this. There you go. That's how I would draw it. But, okay, good. Good job, Happy Face.
Well done! Well done!
Okay, let's see. Last question I think of today. Now I gotta go teach another student. Is going to be 0. 0. This is a very easy question. You should know how to do this. Do you actually need help with this? I feel like you should know how to do this one, yeah? No? Okay. This is just the same thing as pulling a 2 out. And that's 2, the integral from 3 pi to 4 pi of sine of x dx. And the integral of sine is going to be negative cosine. So I'm going to say 2 times negative cosine of x. And then this is evaluated from here to here. So this is from 3 pi. I remember when I thought this was hard. Yeah, right? Yeah, it's always fun to look back and see how far you've came. Yeah. So then, this is just equal to 2 times, and we're going to say negative cosine of 4 pi. And then it's minus negative cosine of 3 pi. This is where students sometimes get like caught up, is with all the minuses. Okay. Cosine of 4 pi means you're going around twice. So that's just going to be positive 1. And then cosine of 3 pi means you went around once and then you went halfway around. So then this is negative 1. So wow, there's a lot of like negatives here. I see why this can maybe be confusing for you, 0. So this is 2 times negative positive 1. So that's negative. Minus minus, so that's plus. And then plus negative 1. So plus negative 1 is minus 1. So then this is just equal to 2 times negative 2, which is equal to negative 4. Yeah, this one's nice. If you really wanted to, right? You could. I'm pretty sure even ChatGPT could do this one. Just to see, just for. What's up, Pen? How did you not have dessert? You couldn't find the Discord channel? You're okay, Brian. 1 sec. Let me help you out there. So, yeah, this is 1 sec, let me go back. Dessert stat starts now. Yes. Oh, is you're a bit lost? That's okay. Yeah, this is our channel that has it's called Help Screenshots, and this is where people submit screenshots of questions for us to go over on the live stream. You can also just go to the website there, actualdiscord.com/submit. This is also the website for it, and that will like put screenshots into our thing, which yeah, that's where that goes. Nice. Yeah, I want some dessert stats or dessert starts. Oh, I read that as dessert stats. Oh my god.
Surprise, motherfucker.
I'm too tired at this point. Okay, yes. The main thing is that, like, this comes out, and then you should know that the integral of sine is equal to negative cosine. I'll put my dynamical analysis homework. Uh-oh. Okay, maybe for next time. All right. Glad that helped you out, 0. I'm going to close the stream out because I'm tired. I want to go eat. But anyways, okay, cool. All right, thank you, everyone. Let's close it out. All right, thank you, everyone, for coming to Actual Education Office Hours today. Appreciate all your questions. Big thanks to Seth for helping me out with especially the beginning one, Seth. I really needed your help on those. I was tripping out, dude, on the modulus stuff. I hate modulus. Modulus just makes me like so sad. What was it? Oh, it was this stuff. Yeah, this stuff was like this stuff was okay, but the module stuff was really messing with me. Anyways, yeah, our next stream is going to be our AMA podcast. That's on Friday, so please come on by if you want to just hang out and ask some questions of our special guest. She's a good friend of mine and a therapist who has worked thousands of hours with people and is here to answer your questions. So we have a if you haven't joined our Discord yet, go join our Discord. and then you can submit a question for us to go over on Friday. If your question is picked as the best question, you win a $20 gift card. So it's kind of fun. So yeah, that'll be on Friday. That's gonna be at 6 p.m. Pacific, 7 p.m. Mountain, 8 p.m. Central, 9 p.m. Eastern for the Mountain people. Otherwise, our next math help stream will be on Monday, and that's gonna start at 3 p.m. You can find out all the other cool math streamers that we work with by using ! math streamers. And then if you want to figure out when they're streaming, Pen Center has put together a wonderful calendar there. And then that calendar will show you how to access when people are streaming. Wow. Thank you, Sam. Good to see you, bro. Sorry, Brian, you're asking about use substitution. So, here, let me just mute this music real quick. I have a video on it if you want to check it out on YouTube real quick. So if you just go to our YouTube page here, here we go to our channel. And I think it's literally one of our first ones. If you go to the playlists here, and there's something called Math in 60
Here's what
Seconds.
to do when you see exponents that are fractions.
There you go. In here, there should be a use substitution one somewhere. Can you search in this? They should be able to. One sec. I need an easier way to do it. This is where, like, I need to build a bot that just finds my videos. Use substitution. There we go. Here we go. How use substitution pwns messy integrals part 2. So if you want to learn about use substitution, oh, here's the full video. This is 2 minutes long. So only 59 views on this one, but yeah. I go over basically how use substitution works and kind of the tricks and tips to look for it. So go check that out. Here, I'll put that in this chat. I still need to figure out how to chat to YouTube as well, but we'll figure that out in due time. Okay. Otherwise, all right, yeah, let's go raid someone. Is that DJ Khaled? Yeah, he's got the keys, dude. Yeah, you're welcome, Brian. Yeah, otherwise, also, yeah, join our Discord. It's the easiest way for you to get in touch with us. And if you have any questions, like, over the weekend and stuff, we can point you in the right direction or even give you some help before our stream on Monday. 2 minutes. Who has that kind of time? FemVox, I talk about this, man. Yeah, the attention span of people these days is way, way down. Way, way down. All right, let's see. Let's go raid someone. Ooh, biomathematics. Oh, and they're playing Super Smash Brothers. Okay, we're gonna go raid these people. So these people are pretty cool. Their name is Ask a Scientist Gaming. How to better attention span? Practice. Maybe don't scroll so much YouTube and TikTok shorts unless you're watching our videos. Anyways, let's go check out Ask a Scientist Gaming. These are cool people. They have scientists on, and they do kind of an AMA. You can ask them questions, and also they play video games. So it's pretty cool. So if you're watching us on Twitch, we're gonna pull you into that. Otherwise, if you're on TikTok and YouTube, the stream will end. So, okay, cool. All right, we will see you guys on Friday. Have a wonderful rest of your week, and we'll see you later. Peace.